Yo, what's up, bro? What's up, guys? Good morning. You guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What up? Woo, I'm lit, bro. Yo, shit. GG is gonna have a lot of volume today on a weird Friday, but let's see.
Freaky Deaky Friday.
Okay, so what we got today? We got GDP CAD news. Okay, got some. Not much, just like minor news. We got some speech at 9, but for the pound, but that's all about it. Ooh, okay. All right. You see how, like, man, we just like this GJ here. We just pretty much tap the target so peacefully. Look at this. Monday streams, guys. Monday streams or Sunday stream, something like that. Mentioned buys as we broke back into the range here. The range. This is the range that we're in. This is the weekly range, right? We broke back into the range. So, meaning that, pretty much, your support, your resistance, look left. This is your range. Clean traffic, fall by that range. We broke back into that range. That's why price tapped this target. So it's here, right? So, I wasn't expecting us to tap it during Asian yesterday. We tapped it pretty late during Asian. I attempted buys a little bit earlier at around 8 at the opening of Asian, but then the move happened at like around 10. So, I mean, even if I tried to catch a move at 10, I don't think I would have caught it. Because I don't trade at that time for Asian. Rarely a move happens at the time. It's very rare, right? So, shit, yeah, we tapped the target. So, I mean, we still continue to go up today. Like looking at this though, like looking at this next week, high chance, depending on how we close this week. If you close like this for the week, then next week, high chance we're probably continue up for a wick, and eventually tap this target up here. High chance. If it closes like with a wick fill, because then we'll be breaking this wick, this range actually from this wick, go further up, tap. That could be next week. If you miss buys this week, don't stress about it. You have plenty more time to get buys in, man. Like I said, we are gonna tap 144, 145-ish. I said a little bit a long time ago on streams, a couple weeks ago. But yeah, for the New York session, I am gonna look for buys. I mean, I'm gonna look for buys probably around. Let's see what we got here.
Yo, what's up? What's up?
What's up?
Bro, I think this is really just a big fake out down to go up, to be honest. Like this whole move.
Yeah, guys, I'm probably gonna look for buys. This is your support, right? So it doesn't mean that we're gonna bounce off of this support to go up. Like, this is just look left. This is most logical area where you can probably go up at. Like, so if you use that most logical area, put that in your head. Okay, maybe we can go from here. All you gotta do now is wait for some confirmation on the small time frame. Maybe on 30-minute, maybe on 15-minute. Wait for some type of bullish kind of closure at support here. Reverse continue to go up. Maybe an hourly close, it would be pretty decent. If you close bullish at support here, like this, then you can kind of say, okay, we're probably gonna come back to retest these highs. Because we're probably gonna retest these highs eventually, right? These highs. Because this is what price always does, right? Remember how I talked about this? But if we do break the support, high chance we're probably gonna come back in the range, and that range is probably gonna be in this, which is fine. But this is your range now. So you can mark this as your range. But I think the daily candle came up, made a high, so we could eventually come back in the range here if we do break the support. But I'm hoping we just respect the support, close bullish somewhere, and we take buys back up. Because then you can take buys all the way back to like this, at minimum this. Look left, that's where traffic is. And to retest the highs, man, that's another like that's a lot. But I think you can take buys to get back up to here eventually. Let's see how we close here though. Let's see. But if you do come back in the range, yeah, this is probably a fake out. Yeah, a fake out up to go down. You come back in this range. A fake out down to go up, Jimmy. I think a fake out down to go up will be. I think it'll be this. This is your range. If price comes back up to the range, this, then it'll eventually go up.
Yeah.
Then that's when I could say that it will be a fake out down to go up. But so then we just don't know yet. We don't know yet, right? Been up since London. I think I want to leave GG alone. Win, loss, win. Yeah, man. So I don't trade all 3 sessions.
Something happened with Japan earlier.
Bro?
Like somebody retired. I mean, not retired, but resigned because of a health issue. They're like prime minister or something like that.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
What's up?
Yeah. They're prime minister, yeah.
Oh, they resigned.
Yeah, he resigned because of health issues. My bad.
The yen went. The yen got more strong. Did you just dropping? Wait. So when did he resign? What time?
Like an hour ago.
So that's an hour ago. I thought maybe he resigned like
a few hours ago.
So the yen got stronger. The GG went down. I mean, the yen's not even open right now, right? So, but yeah, GG's going down. The yen got stronger. Just makes sense, right? He resigned at the big reversal candle. What's the big reversal candle? About midnight, 1 a.m. Oh, 1 a.m. Oh, this candle. Yeah, so the yen got stronger. The yen got stronger overnight. So this is GG's going down, right? Because yen going down. I got wrecked last night on gold. My magic keys lagged out over like 4 positions because I thought I didn't press the buttons hard enough and I closed all my positions. Drawdown. Yeah, man, the same thing happened to Jimmy yesterday, man. I don't know, man. Hey, bro, I don't own that company or whatever, right? So I can't really say anything. But the same thing happened to Jimmy. He pressed that machine button a couple times and closed the trade out. It happened twice to Jimmy before, but yeah, I don't know. Something's up with it. Maybe it needs an update or something. Who knows? $107 viewers? Damn. That's a lot of viewers. God damn. 640, you stick that in. Get it, guys. Yeah, so I think the pound is pretty weak right now too. Off of what we know here. Let's see here, guys, because man, if this support breaks, I think you can look for sells coming back into Ranger. I'll say 40 pip move, 30 pip move. A lot of volume today. If you do come back into Ranger, so if I were to look for sells, these might be the sells I'm looking for. Come back into range, but that's it. You know, 4 hours is bearish. Come back into range. Every time you came back into range, you were able to fill it, right? So it just makes sense. Because what you have now is you're gonna have a fake out, right? You have this move range, you have a breakout, and now you have price coming back into range, breaking support, coming down to filter range, and continuing for continuation. If this is a fake up to go down. But if this support breaks, if this support holds, man, all we need is a bullish candle closure, bro, somewhere, and then we can take buys coming back up have this resistance, and then take more buys above here to go back up at these highs. But what I'm gonna look for.
Yeah,
My first target is not gonna be up here. It's gonna be probably around here. I'm looking for more buys above here for this to move up. What's up?
Yeah, bro. These last few minutes determines what GJ gonna do, bro. To be honest. As long as this candle could somewhat close bullish, then we good for buys. But if it keeps going like this, yeah, it's done for.
That's MT5 broker. I'm trying to switch over MT5, but I don't support my broker. Shares domain, link in the bio. Yeah, I don't know. Best MT5 broker. I switched over to MT5 pretty late, but I switched over when I was with Vantage too, and fine. Vantage doesn't accept any US clients though if you're from there, but I'm with Traders Domain now. Traders Domain's fine. Just make sure you put crypto as your country though for Traders Domain, because I don't know why, but they don't accept US or your Canadian clients. They put it as crypto as your country, which is weird. But even the owner of the broker does it too, which is even more weird. But if you know, it paid me, so it's fine. Yeah, if your broker doesn't support MT5, man, it means that your broker is what was it again? Your broker's a new broker. Probably 2018, 2019, 2020. Because brokers that don't support MT5, they're using the old MetaTrader servers, which is MT4, right? And they can't get upgraded because they're I mentioned it before in the stream.
Yeah, because Medico's left them, right?
What?
Because you said because Medico's left MT4.
Medicals?
So what?
Medicals?
Yeah, Medico's. Yeah, you said.
Medicals. Yeah.
Yeah, you said they left MT4, so that's why there's not.
Yeah.
That's
So
why
yeah,
like
a lot of new brokers like KLT4, Hugo's Way, like those brokers don't support MT5, and there's a reason they don't. And it's not a good sign, but I mean, hey, if your jobs works, right?
Yep.
Yeah, Juju buys. Yeah, I mean, I know a lot of people that are buying here. A lot of people that are probably buying here. Buyer orders, selling orders, all that stuff. I think if you're looking for bias here, I think you should wait for a bullish on closure to increase your probability of the trade going up, because the trade can just literally come back down the range here. Look at it. That's support, yeah, but like it doesn't mean you just buy support and self resistance all the time, right? You need a bullish on closure. Looks like we're breaking the lows here. Man, someone sent a screenshot in the VIP yesterday, and they took 15 trades within 2 hours.
hyper scalper.
And at the moment, I just knew that they're gonna reply back with, "Yeah, I'm a scalper," or some type of hyper scalper. Like, I'm a scalper too, but I still trade. I take 2 trades per day. It doesn't matter if you're a scalper or you're not a scalper. If you're taking more than, I don't know, man. If you're taking 15 plus trades per day, that's over trading. And within 2 hours, that's I can just imagine what the rest of the day went like. But just off of 2 hours, I saw 15 trades. Off the rip, you're just over trading. There's nothing to it, bro. You're over trading. Can't even say you're a hyper scalper or whatever. You're just over trading, man. Over trading is over trading. You can't, there's no like, oh, I'm a hyper scalper. Oh, I like this. I like to scalp a lot. It's my thing. It's how I make profit. It's over trading. But if I mean, no. Yeah, breaking back in the range here. Moving back in the range here. Bro, 15 trades in a week is overtrading. No, yeah. But he took it in 2 hours. Plus 100. I don't know. Hey guys, I'm thinking moving for his hourly closer, salary closer. You train on Fridays? Yeah, I train on Fridays sometimes. Sometimes. Yeah, I'm looking for a trade. I'm looking for a trade today, probably. There's a lot of volume coming in today, so gonna look for see what happens here. I'm bullish overall. Alright, that's my analysis. That is my bias, bullish, right? But there's no trade yet. I think gold's gonna retest the highs here, guys. Yeah, this candle right here closed above this whole area. High chance we're gonna continue up here to 67. Like a lot of people lost money on gold here. You know, trying to catch this again. Like, look, you know, this is why you take profit where you did. Cause like yes, in the streams, we mentioned price is down here on a 30-minute time frame. And I was like, I mentioned taking profit. A TP would be if I were to catch this gold trade coming back in the range. This would have been your trade. You had a ranger, right? You had a ranger, support, resistance. This, you have a range, boom. We broke below the range, okay, cool. But we came back into the range, meaning this is a fake out down to go up, right? So if you look on the left, the 85% chance of us filling the range is right here. The 75% chance of us continuing up to the next resistance is up here. This would have been my TP. Regardless, right? 1954. And then what happened after was prices came back to 1970. And then what happened after was prices, the moment this candle right here broke this low, this previous candle, there's no more buys, man. Look left, bro. This is clean traffic coming down back in the range. And then boom, came back in the range, continuing down, and then man, a lot of people try catching and move back up. A lot of people try looking for buys. Where is it? Right down here. What's your most logical support area? It's right around here, right? Yes, here. A lot of people look intensive buys here. You got stopped out a lot here. But yeah, see what happened here though. Look, price shit came up, price range came back down, made support. What did it do here? It closed bullish at support after. So instead of entering off of this bearish candle, look for buys on the wick. Could look for buys at this closure of this hourly candle. And you can see that price never broke this low ever since, and just continuing back up to retest the highs. That's pretty much what GJ's gonna do. You know, GJ's gonna do the exact same concept. This gold is a little bit more messy, but you know, GJ, if this support holds and we close bullish here, we'll potentially pop back up, right? But until then, there's just there's no buys yet, right? We're gonna need a candle closing like this, and we really need that to close. Cause look at the candle right now. You know, there's no reason in buying right here on this bearish candle. Doesn't make any sense, right? How did you learn trading? Took me about 2 years. Well, I've been doing this for 2 years. Grind GU buys. Nice. No commission, bro. How about you learn? GU is a buy, bro. I haven't checked GU, bro. I haven't checked it. GU, let's see. Yeah, GPUs is bullish. Looks like we're gonna be head towards. We head towards. Let's see. This resistance we're approaching right here. Yeah, I think if GU close above this this range here, if we actually close above this range, we're probably gonna continue out next week. And that next week target is probably gonna be this. Right? This resistance. If we close above this range here. So this is a weekly. Oh, next week. Whew, that's a lot of pips. Next week should be a better week overall. Like this week was a decent week. You know, Friday's a good day, Thursday's a good day. But Wednesday was trash. Tuesday was alright, Monday was alright, but next week should be a good week overall. Across 20% energy. So yeah, Digicel made sense today. Man, if this move happened here, if this move happened during the New York the pre-New York opening, I would have attempted something here. Resistance, support. The moment we broke that support, this candle right here, this would have been my entry candle. Loss above there, taking sells down to the support. Look left, clean traffic. That would have been the move. That's a golden move here. But yeah, I think this is also a nice move too. I'm gonna look for sells below here too. Because thing is, if you take sells here and you actually break the highs there, high chance we're gonna go up, right? You can take buys back up later on. Above here to go back up to retest the highs, or you can take buys at once you break back into the range, go up to here. So you have options today. You guys understand the high time frame trend versus the small time frame trend today. That's it. Where do you think GU is headed? GU is bullish. Is it good to draw resistance on wicks or bodies? Bodies. Because wicks are very weak. And I'll explain why. Let's say you have like some type of ranger. Like this, right? Right, a ranger. So this is your range, right? What do you notice in this range? Let me make it a little bit more clear. Then you have one big bullish candle. You got this at the end. Right, let's say this is your range, right? Yeah, see that clear on my screen? That's your range. So this is your resistance, and this is your support. What do you notice in this range here? What do you notice? You notice that all the times that wicks broke below, it didn't matter because the body closed back in the range. The body still closed above the range, right? So wicks aren't as strong as bodies because let's say now you look at one candle. Alright, let's just look at one candle. Let's say you have a bullish candle like this. I'll explain to you why wicks aren't as strong as bodies. Because wicks are just body candles on a small time frame. Alright? So let's say you have this one candle here. Let's say this is the hourly candle. And I probably explain this every day. But it's alright because there's new people every day. So, anyways, let's say this is the 1 hour candle. And let's say now you have 4 15-minute candles in the hourly candle. Alright, you have 1, 2, you have 3, right? And then you obviously need a wick here, right? So how is this wick going to be created on a 15-minute time frame? You're going to need a bearish candle coming back down here, right? To make that wick. So if you have a bearish candle come back down to make that wick here, what do you have now? Look at that. Resistance, support. What is this? This is your range, right? You see how wicks are so weak? Wicks are just ranges. I'll show you how it lines up. Your resistance, see how it lines up? Your body, which is that support, and the opening of the candle, which is down here. See how that lines up? And this is a 15-minute time frame. This is a 1 hour time frame. This is 4 15-minute candles within a 1 hour time frame. So you can see that wicks are very weak, right? Wicks are bodies, but just on the smaller time frames, right? So that's why when you get a wick fill, what happens when you get a wick fill majority of the times? Probably 95% of the times when a price fills a wick, what does it do after? It usually breaks it. And what's it breaking on a smaller time frame? It's just breaking a body. So yeah, I would draw my resistance support on a body, and not a wick, because wicks are very weak. You want to see me, if this were to be the case here, I wouldn't draw my resistance right here. On a small time frames, yes, you can draw it right there, right? Where is it? On a small time frame, you can draw it right there because now you're gonna have this on a small time frame, right? You have price going up, ranging, and then you have a price breaking out of the range. Once price breaks out of that range, it breaks this high wick to go up, right? But you see how it had to break the body of this to go up? Same thing. That's why wicks are so weak. Yeah, guys, that's some knowledge there. Might be a bit confusing, but don't send a chart, nice.
I watch that part again later. That shit was lit.
I'll clip it.
Looks like that.
Actually, I explained it before.
Looks like that candle's pulling back up.
This candle could
Bro, this
potentially
might
pop
be.
back up. Yeah.
This might be like the bullish closure that we need.
Yeah.
Because if
Oh,
it is,
shit.
Oh shit! What the fuck?
So you're predicting, I'm guessing, you're predicting price to pretty much come back into range for a bit, fill the range, right? 4 pip range, come back down. You're expecting it to break the lows to be a fake out, and then you're predicting it to come back in the range to fill the range. 85% chance of filling it, 7% chance of going back up to retest the highs, and eventually break these highs to retest these highs. I mean, hey, it could happen, right?
This can't.
I think the focus here right now, instead of predicting this, and this, I think the focus should just be this candle right here. What will this candle do? Will it come back into range, or will it respect it to go back up? This candle is very important. If it comes back into range, yeah, I see this happening. I see this coming back. If this comes back into range, it can come down to here. Yeah, and then if you come back in, and later on, let's say we come back into range here, reflect, right? And then we're probably rearranging here, whatever, ranging, and then you're expecting, I guess, a breakout to go further down, and then you're expecting a fake out to come back into range, right? Like so, right? Yeah, once this candle goes back into range like this, I can see the rest happening. So then you can pop back up like this, or up, retest this highs, reject off here probably, you know, close off bearish or something like this, make a range, and then eventually you can eventually pop back up this, test the highs, and eventually pop her up. Yeah, I can see this happening, right? But I can only see this happening once this happens, and once this happens, I need to see this break below to see this happen. But I think you should just focus on what's up next, you know. But overall, yeah, I mean, hey, the idea's there. Yo, thank you so much, appreciate it. I love, you know, it's all love here. But what about price levels that get broken because that wick broke the zone is more vulnerable? What do you mean? Like this, for example, this wick. You see how this wick broke above it? On hourly, it never closed above it. What happened when this hourly closed above it, though? See? Look at the difference between a body closure and a wick closure. I drew my resistance here because this is where all the bodies rejected off of. But what happened when price a body closed above it? What happened when a wick closed above it? Zoom, came back down, right? So, yeah. Look at this wick. It closed. It broke below, but the body still closed above. Right? So, I think you need a closure below to go down here. But yeah, it's a good thing to close above because this could be a potential. We have the wick was being created on the 15 minute, right? So I'm guessing the 15 minute closed bullish, kinda the OG bullish. So let's see what happens here. We could potentially pop back up, but I'm gonna wait for
15 or
I
30.
think
I'll look for buys.
I kind of
when
want
it's
the
above,
hourly to
like,
close bullish, but let's see what happens here.
I'll look for buys above like 140, 500. I'll look for buys.
Yeah, that's the hourly high.
Candle above. Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Probably a buy stop type of situation.
But what about price levels that right there? He must be working with. Oh, Wix 9.
Hmm.
So, hey, tell me your analogy, Jimmy.
Alright. During further investigation of my good CSI team, Wix 9, Jose Trader, 4446, and Trader Tom, y'all the same person.
Dun, dun, dun.
Y'all the same person. There's no way. Y'all are the same person.
I think Wix 9 is someone else though.
It's not a person, or you guys are friends?
It's either, yeah, most likely y'all are friends. Most likely
okay.
y'all are friends. But if my super conclusion is right, y'all are the same person.
Sure, Tom wants to participate on a chart, possible? I don't know, maybe they're just... That's insulting. I don't type like this. Oh, okay, never mind. Your thing is wrong, Jimmy, bro.
Nah, you notice all the dots though?
Huh, that's Jose Trader then.
Yeah, exactly.
Jose Trader.
You might be onto something, man.
Nah, I
Oh.
think he's mocking Jose Trader.
Oh,
Jose
okay.
Trader, Wix 9, same person. Gotta be. I typed the same. I typed like Playboy Cardi. Jose and 444. You're next, Wix 9. I'm gonna find out.
No, not everyone draws the same support resistance support, right? No, not everyone's gonna draw the same support resistance.
Alright, let's
But
see.
like you'll see me like where I draw my support resistance. Just I draw the most logical areas I see, right? Like it just makes sense. Like this is your support, right? Look at all the rejection levels. I drew based off the hourly time from here. A lot of people can draw like I don't know. It's different for everyone, but it's similar. It's pretty similar for a lot of people because they can understand what the structure holds, right? Does the best ones win or what?
Or another
Drawing the best support resistance doesn't make you a better trader. It depends on how you execute off it and what you do on a higher time frames. Because you can't just rely off support resistance here to enter buys or sells. Doesn't make any sense.
Yeah. Or like another situation, if you want to be like a little bit more aggressive for buys, you can wait for like a closer above like this 30-minute, previous 30-minute at the 142.75, and then your first target will be like that wick fill at 140.481, and then take it up 588, 145.88.
I think if the 30-minute breaks the higher, you gotta attempt if the 30-minute breaks the higher, you can attempt some buy stops, go back up, because this is your resistance here now. This is my first target, guys. And then you have a range after, right? So this is your resistance. So that's your range. But looks clean here. Looks very clean if this support holds.
My daily target for today, if it continues bullish, I'm playing an hour.
How did you learn about trading and the methods of book? Never read any books. Mentors, I took a lot of courses. I did a lot of shit, a lot of research on my own as well. Something that really helped me was just competitive psychology, helped me a lot with it. But pretty much 6 practice at a time, man. Like I used to be up. Like I traded since last February-ish, and every day for the first I think 5 months, I was up every night for the London session. Like I'll be studying from pretty much around 10 to 4 in the morning. Just every day, the same thing every day, and watching videos or reading something or whatever it is. I did something every day. So
The 1
Takes
minute
time.
monster.
Like you're not gonna get this shit off in a day. You're not gonna get it in a day. I promise you, it's not gonna take you a day. If you get it in a day, you're a demon.
Next
But
game over.
yeah, you're not gonna get this in a day, man. Getting this in a day is very. You have a better chance of winning the lottery than getting this in a day, probably.
But just know you have a way better probability of being profitable in Forex than winning the lottery.
Yeah.
Just
So pick and choose what you want to do. Yep, this range, man. Buy. You have a. The thing is, if this support holds, man, if this support holds here, bro, you could take buys as the candle closes bullish off support. You can take buys coming back in the range here to fill the range. You can take buys above this resistance to go up. So you have all this move to capitalize off of. You don't got to hold the whole position, but you have 3 entries here to capitalize off of.
I'll be right back.
So it's like, you know, the last shit here. Wix 9. No, Jimmy's just trolling, I think. What do you do if price breaks the 142.80 resistance? Would be good buys. 142.80. Where do you see that? Oh, this little resistance here. Yeah, if you break this kind of high, could potentially come up to this target. Let's see what happens there. I really want a closure though. I prefer to have a closure candle and enter off the closure of the candle. Go back up. Let's see. Preferably I want the hourly to close like this. That'll be perfect for us. I'm learning from a year, not much figured out. Well, how much time have you put in? Sure, if you're mad, hit me up. Why? What's gonna happen? I'm scared, bro. What's gonna happen? How many profit pips you take safely? 10 safely. If that's your question you're looking for, 10. I love everyone here though. Yes. Fairfax is a go, baby go, but still go. Yeah, like I said, like if you've been training for a year, like don't think like, oh, because I've been training for like a year, almost 2 years here. Compare it to yourself, you know, because it depends on like what you've learned, what you've been through the year. How many accounts have you blown? What have you learned? What haven't you learned? What are the same steps? What are the same mistakes you keep repeating? You know, are you still the same person you were a year ago when you started? Like, you know, it depends on what you do. But you, Jimmy, has learned consistently. No, I wasn't as consistent as I was a year ago. I'm 100% not. This took a year and a half to become this consistent. This took a year, like over a year to become like consistent. I don't know what consistency is, but like consistent, like before when like last year-ish, I was like a 60-70% trader. That's not as consistent as I am now. Right now, obviously, I'm more of a much higher than that, right? But it takes some time. Jimmy, I don't know. You can ask him about his stuff, but I don't know. Jimmy's on. Jimmy went to the washer. You good vibes, Don. You have changed my trading so much. Hey, bro, I never seen you talk before in chat, bro. But it's all love. Appreciate it. I promise I'm not Roger. I hate counts. Hey, bro. It's all love, bro. Hey, who's this 444 guys? I'm gonna explain. He's something. He's someone. We don't know either, but he's someone.
What's up, Wix? You said if I'm ever in Miami, boy. Hello?
Yo,
Yo, y'all straight? Y'all a little quiet today. Y'all good?
now I'm reading chat. Chat's funny today.
What happened? Let me read.
Wixline wants to link up in Miami. Let's turn up.
Bruh. Shit. I'll probably be there around like next year time. I'm not trying to travel right now. The pandemic.
The pandemic. The pandemic.
Pandemic.
You're done. You been down south in the States before?
Where's Self in the States? That's like what?
Scared to come to Atlanta. You banned.
I've been there. I've been there already.
No, you been banned, bitch.
LA?
I haven't been to LA, no. I've been to Atlanta,
When?
Indiana,
Cap.
New York, New York City, by the way.
Indiana. What the hell? Are you doing
Brooklyn.
in that Yeehaw State.
Brooklyn, New Jersey, pretty much New York.
That's what's up.
And then I've been in Washington, D.C.
Oh, nice.
And
I want to go there just for the monuments, to be
yeah,
honest.
that's it. I've been at Trump Tower before.
Mm.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I think back then.
But don't say that, bro. People get triggered.
I was back when before he was president, so. Bring a mask? LOL. What the fuck is in Indiana? Hey, bro, Paul George. The time. Play RP. I'm trying to move to LA, live in the hills. Play
Mr. 0 out of 100 from the corner 3. Him?
Yep.
Mr. I break shots when
Oh, I've been to Chicago. Chicago's nice, kinda downtown.
Yeah.
The food
Don got
there
them
here is
hitters,
crazy.
bro. Don got them hitters in Chicago.
Hey, you seen that 6ix9ine video in Chicago?
Oh yeah, that guy's funny, man. What a troll.
Oh my god, yo. Yo, what's your name? My name is at the top right of my screen. Telegram, that's my name. I was AFK, was my question answered? How many profits would you take safely? Yeah, I take about 10 pips. Safely. You can say that. And yes, see how like, look at a lot of people looking at the 15 right now. I'm not looking at the 15 right now in particular because the 15 is very messy. I don't like the way the 15 looks, right? Look how much cleaner the 30-minute looks or the 1 hour looks. So I obviously want to look at the 1 hour. In this sense, right? So I'm waiting for an hourly closer. Once we close bullish, I'm gonna enter a buy. I'm gonna open up the candle, stops for a previous candle, depending on the situation, and DP is gonna be right here. This is gonna be my buy for the day. Just one move. Alright, guys. So just wait patiently, you know, don't force yourself. Say it's a Friday, so you wanna be super passive today.
Reduce risk size.
What's up?
No, I'm just saying reduce lot size, reduce your risk.
Yeah. Reduce your stuff today, 100%. I'm probably gonna enter, my next trade I'm gonna enter today is probably gonna be depending what the stop is, but probably gonna be around 10 pips anyways, right? Something like that. So probably gonna be like a 4 lot, probably 3 lot.
Jimbo, I see you popping 1.6, 1.5s. That's cool, man.
Big boys.
But the thing about this buy, guys, is the reason why I'm waiting for a closure of an hourly candle closure is one, you can enter a buy as it breaks the highs. You can do that, right? But look how much range you have to go after. You don't have that much range to go up. You don't have like this low move to go up, right? But if you wait for a closure and price doesn't head up to this target and it just closes like below here, bullish, it has a bigger range to go up to retest the highs. But yeah, cause like technically, if the 15 or 30 minute close is bullish here, technically it's not as valid as the hourly candle closure because the hourly candle high is up here, right? So technically, even if you close bullish here, 30-minute close bullish right here, it will still wouldn't break the highs yet. But if it's a new hourly candle breaking the high, it just means that the support is being held and we should be able to push up.
What if this current one does?
It's hourly?
No, current 15. Like
The thing I like about this 15-30 minute is that it's breaking the highs of this.
Yeah, it's like filling the wick. They just filled it right now. Or it just filled the previous 15.
We have like what 4 or 5 minutes to the hourly candle. We have
Yeah.
what 15 minutes to that 15 closure here.
Wait, is there any news or anything coming out today? I didn't
9,
check.
but there's a speech, but it's not.
Nine.
It's gonna be late.
Yeah, we probably not gonna be on.
Yeah, off at that time. Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna be very patient today. But just understand there's a lot of volume today, so it's gonna be it's a much easier day to trade today.
Yeah, someone asked me this, but I didn't know how to properly answer it. What's the difference between momentum and volume?
Someone asked that.
Yeah, someone asked me that because like someone asked me like when they see how I enter the trades and whatnot, they'd be like, "Do you depend on volume or momentum?" I'm like,
I
kind of both.
see it as the same thing.
Yeah.
Because momentum is just like, oh, this is volume. That huge move down. What's in this volume? What's this? Once you broke below this, price broke the lows, momentum will go down. Clean traffic looking left. Clean traffic for me is volume momentum. Like
Yeah.
I think volume momentum is the same thing. Like I don't see no difference in it.
Yeah,
I don't think
it's kind of like the same thing.
I don't think if I change something within volume momentum, it would change my trading style up or anything. I honestly think it's the same thing.
Yeah, cause like on his screen, like he has a little bars at the bottom that shows volume, but I'm like I don't use those. I just look at literally like what time it is,
yeah.
and then see how like the candles are closing or entering. I said entering, opening.
Like
And then,
obviously, like right now, like if you look at the volume thing right now, you're probably not gonna see much of a momentum or volume thing. It's probably gonna be rangy a bit, right? Because you're in this range here, this box. But once you break like above here and you push up to here, hell yeah, you're gonna start seeing some momentum, and you start seeing that volume indicator start going up, right? So I think that's how it works.
Also, like the size of the candles kind of indicate volume.
Yeah. Yep.
And then like this volume thing, like the bar usually goes like super up during like London, pre-London, NY, and then pre-NY. I'm like, so basically just use the time, bro. Don't
No. Wait. No. There is a difference. Well, kind of same. Okay, so pretty much volume comes in during opening of the sessions. Pre-NY, NY opening, pre-Asian opening, pre-London opening. Like that's when volume comes in, right? But momentum, I guess momentum is just, I'll honestly just say like when you have like moves like these, huge push downs, like this. If you were to take a buy up here, this range fill would be your momentum move because you're breaking above this resistance. I guess that's a little difference there, the times, but overall, kind of the same thing. Hey Lucas, you from Matt's group? I don't know who the hell that is, but I don't know. You guys might be friends. I don't know. Small world here. Yeah, momentum, volume coming in, first phones. Yep. With the hourly bullish close, you run a bullish close, and now with the next one, break the highs. I want the 1 hour to close bullish, because this 1 hour candle has like what 30 minutes left, 4 or 5 minutes left. It could either break the highs, or it can just close bullish. It can do one or the other. But I'm gonna be very patient with it. Because if it breaks the highs, it's in case that we're going to go up back in the range. But if it just closes bullish, it means that we have a bigger range to go up now. Because we're making a support to go back up, right? But because if the 30 minute closes bullish here and 15 minute closes bullish, it'll still be below this hourly high here. This hourly high is huge, right? It's all the way up there. We need a nice wick. Because look, let's say you're looking at this scenario. You see how we had a bearish candle closure here? This wick, people thought it was gonna come back to break the highs. Like, this wick, the 15 and 30 minute was probably closing bullish here, right? But it never broke the highs, and look what happened after. It just closed bearish. There was no trade. So the same thing can happen for this trade. This wick, they can go literally up to here, and then we just flip back bearish, go down. as long as you respect these highs, right? Because the overall candle is bearish. So yeah. Bro, what's going on in the chat, bro?
In New York.
Oh, that's the outro song today.
Yeah, I was singing that
Yeah,
too.
drop that song where shit hot. Whoa, whoa.
Hey,
Whoa, too early.
yo, Don's
Bro,
on
watch this. We
cue,
finna
man.
catch a 100 pip move and it's finna get banned because your egg lad.
The video yesterday got banned, but I took it. I brought it back up to. I brought it back to life.
Hey.
Cause I played. So after the God's Plan outro we had, at the end of the streams, the God Plan's outro, the Spotify automatically just went to a next song. So I'm like shit, and it was Do Not Disturb by Drake. So Do Not Disturb got like blocked in some countries, and God's Plan didn't. It was weird. I don't know, bro, but I just know that God's Plan is a safe song, so I can play it. You spoke to you a few times back. Welcome to the best stream. Hey, the best stream. Hey, man. Look at this organic. Look at this guy. This is us. This is us right now. We're on this little stream here. You know, the organic, some fruits here, vegetables here.
That's us.
Yep. Yep.
I laughed hard when I seen you post that. Like, okay. I did laugh out of that.
Man, makes sense. We got here. No, my NASA's given yesterday. The NASA's played out yesterday though. I didn't take any trades, guys. The only trade I took yesterday was one trade during Asian. I took a 3 pip loss during Asian session. That was it. Yes, but your entry immediately after close or wait for your next count lower wick. I'll just enter after the opening of the candle. Depends though. Like if the candle opens up, I usually wait like what 2 seconds, see what happens. But when the candle opens up, AI just comes straight down. Because if it comes straight down, I'll wait for it to flip bullish, right? But if it just goes, I mean, if it goes straight up, I'll wait for it to come down, make a wick. But if it goes straight down first, I'll usually enter off the rip. Because I know that that's gonna be a lower wick for price to drive up. But yeah, my first time forex trading. Oh, nice, bro. Welcome. The stream might be a bit complicated for you, a bit confusing, just a tad bit for beginners. But you'll get there. Just takes practice, right? We learn about not be shy, organic, rocket ship. Yes, bro. But this is my goal analysis. Oh, send me a chart. Wait, did I send me a chart? Can I not see charts here? Oh, there it is. Yeah, Jimmy. Yo, are you on the YouTube side, bro? Shit. I guess he's not even on any side. Alright,
Oh, I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm tripping.
Yeah, so yo, if you get a chart, and I missed it, can you put it in the Zoom chat?
Yeah.
Just copy and paste it.
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
You got Ravens, right?
What?
Oh, someone named Raven. You just sent a chart.
Yeah, I saw it. I'm looking at it right now. You taking buys above there? Yeah, I think you can wait for a closure above there. This is clean traffic. Yeah, this is overall clean traffic. The overall, this entire move here was clean traffic. Unlike an hourly candle, man, above here, I'm guessing this hourly candle was, I'm guessing this is how it looks right now. Off of what I'm looking at, I'm guessing we had a bullish candle here. And so pretty much this area right here looks like this probably. I think you can have buy stops above the hourly high, which is gonna be like this, I'm guessing. Sorry, that's this. That's that part of it. This bearish candle coming down was probably this. And then now we have a bullish candle that's coming back up to break the highs, right? And I think once it breaks the highs, you can have buy stops go up. I'm looking at this, and I'm guessing this is what it is on the hourly time frame. Let me check. Oh, I'm off. Wait, what is this? Oh, wait, is this gold? Hold on. Yeah, this is gold, right? This is 15. Oh yeah, I was off. I mean, yeah, I'm guessing this is like another. This is a whole different candle here. I got confused there. But I mean, yeah, I think you can wait for buys like above this resistance here. Once it closes above, because you can just reject off of it, right? I think once you get closure above here, you're gonna be golden to go up here. It's clean traffic, yeah. So yeah, clean chart, bro. Clean chart. Oh, guys, we're gonna do our quiz of the day soon in a couple minutes here. Alright, guys. I want everyone to get their train view charts ready. I want everyone to go on their drawing tool here, and I want everyone to well, if you guys are on PC, you guys or something, you guys can do it. Send me a chart, but go on your drawing tool, which is, where is it? Wait, where's the drawing tool? Am I tripping? Oh, brush right here. Go to brush and yeah, just draw me out the candles here, and you can change the colors up, blue and red, right? So in a couple minutes, we're gonna do a test here. See, I'll see you guys pay attention on the streams there.
Oh.
Hey, that's a theme song, man. The WAP.
Yeah, worship.
If you know, you know.
Worship and prayer, man. For sure.
I think if he broke and closed above 133 maybe we should continue to go up. Yeah, look, I was looking at it as well. Yeah, above here. This is. I want to see though. I want to wait for the hourly. I mean, 30 minutes and close bullish on support. We know that. So.
Yeah, that's step one.
Step one. We know that.
Yeah.
This could be the low. This could be the low. Like if you're anticipating that this is the hourly low, because this is the first 30-minute closure of the hourly. This could be a low for hourly to go up. The next count could potentially pop up. Potentially, right? But I mean, this could happen. This could be a play. This could happen here. To go up. Wouldn't be surprised.
Bro, I'm telling you, when it gets back in that upper range, it's a done deal, bro.
Something about the hourly today, man. Something about this hourly. But yeah, I mean, 30 minutes gonna break the highs. You know, 15 is closing bullish, back-to-back candles. Yeah, could come back in. Because technically, like 15 minutes is in a range here.
Yeah.
Technically, you have a resistance here, and then you have a support here. This is your range, and for breaking back in the range, we're gonna potentially pop up there, retest these highs, right?
Step one, 30-minute close, bullish. Step two, now we wait for that other side of 30-minute.
Oh, close there. 30-minute close bullish, right? So we know that. We know that 30-minute has 4 type of support. We know that. All right, we have 30 minutes left, guys. If you guys can wait for his 30-minute count, you guys can wait for our next one.
Yeah. I hate situations where it's like long wood candles, like on a 30-minute. I hate seeing those. Messes up my groove.
Wait, are you in buy Jimmy already?
Nah. I'm putting in a buy stop soon.
Oh, 30-minute highs?
Yeah.
Yep.
No, not at this day, man. High, like at that area I was talking about earlier, the
300?
140, 300,
yeah.
20 area.
UJ has been tanking for a minute. Oh, I haven't checked USDJPY in like years.
Centuries.
God, the last time I checked USDJPY, guys.
Oh boy.
Oh
I don't
Lord.
even touch it no
Hold
more.
on, what is this? Yeah,
I blew my account so quick off of USDJPY, bro.
I think judging off this resistance came down here. This is the last one I looked at.
Damn,
I think it was like August. No, it wasn't today. I think it was like back here. It was July 20th, I think, when it was in this range. That was the last time I checked this range right here. I drew my support resistance and we had a breakout come down. But yeah, UCJY is tanking. Looks like we're gonna be approaching. This key area here. Yeah, bearish as hell, man. Yeah, gold's going up. 30-minute close above, right? 15 close above. That's the chart that you sent earlier. We should be head up right now on gold. This chart that you sent. I'm guessing you'd buy stuff or something. You should be in profit right now,
Stop
probably.
and activate. Yes, sirski. Stop is right under this previous 30.
Yep, this is clean.
Yep.
Yep. Looks clean. Looks clean. Yeah, this does look clean. You have a resistance here. Does look very clean. Yeah. 30 minutes left. Cause guys, look what we just created here. We created a range, right? Created a range here. We came down, made support. You know, close bullish. Mean now we're gonna go up the top to resistance. We have nowhere else to go. So this is your range, right? I think once you break out here, yeah, you'll be good to go. Good to go. But the thing is now, like, remember how before I said you could have buy sells above 30-minute high? Thing is, like, that would have been this candle. But I think this is like a whole different candle, right? So I think in this scenario, I think you're gonna need a closure above to be good. Referring to this 30-minute candle here I mentioned earlier. It was a bearish candle closure, right? So if we break the highs, we're breaking structure, right? But since the previous candle closed bullish, you know, it's overall gonna be just a range now. Let's see what happens here. That right there, what I just mentioned, might be a bit more complex. That's probably a bit more complex, but. You joined me for a minute. Red folder at 9. Yeah, we have some speech at 9 here. We got a speech at 9 here. US 30. Let's check this chart out today, guys. Oh yeah, we already know where it's gonna go. Look left. This is a market from yesterday. Look left. Where are we gonna go here, guys? Where do you have clean traffic? You have clean traffic. This is your clean traffic move. That's your range. Right there. You drag it out across. That's your resistance. We're going up to 29364 here on US 30. Seems to be on US. No, mega inflation. Is it? I don't know what he's talking about. I'm not sure. Oh, might be. Yeah, cause yeah, it could be. Yeah, I think they're talking about more interest rate cuts, clues for the next rate cuts. So yeah, let's see what happens here. That's at 9 a.m. right at that. I think a speech start around like 9:20, something like that. But at that point, we're probably not gonna be trading anymore. For me, I wouldn't be trading at that time. Doesn't really matter, right? How big of a drawdown would you recommend a day trader stop trading and revalue their trading rules? How big of a drawdown? Well, first of all, before you figure out how big of a drawdown, I think you gotta figure out why you were in a drawdown. Like, you should reevaluate why you were in a drawdown first before thinking how much you're in a drawdown, to think about what you did, like, you know, to reevaluate trading rules. I think the first step to your trading rule would be to evaluate your drawdown. Why were you in drawdown here in this scenario? But like how much in that sense, that would depend from person to person. I don't know. I'm usually not that big of a drawdown because I tend to just, I don't really look at the drawdown. Like my max drawdown is probably like average like 10 pips. Like, well, that's my stop loss. My drawdown is like what, 5-6 pips majority of times. That's my drawdown, right? But after I take a loss, I just look at what I could have done to avoid that loss, right? But I don't really look at the drawdown like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't really look at, oh, it's down 6 pips today. Fuck. You know, I look at what I could have done better in that trade. But you should always revise your trading rules. Right? Like here's the thing. Wake up in the morning, come to the charts, look for what you're looking for. If you don't get what you're looking for, don't enter a trade. If you break that simple rule, it's a bad trade. Whatever you take after is a bad trade. Let's say you're looking for buys today, or you're looking for Pacific buys today, and you take buys below here. Even though the move played out, it was still a bad trade because you broke your rules you broke out your comfort level to take that trade. So, yeah. I guess you gotta be disciplining yourself. Oh, the chart that someone sent earlier, the tick buys on. You don't tick buys above this resistance, bro. Clean traffic coming up to 1970. They're approaching that very soon. Congratulations. You are about 40% profit. I think at this point in the trade, I think you can move your stops to entries and make it a risk-free trade.
Bro, look at GA, bro. It's sinking. So GJ might follow it.
You have a Zoom group? Yeah, right now. GU is following, yeah. Yeah, GG could follow it too. Pound, I guess. But man, guys, look at this. Look at this. This is a simple entry here, you know. Simple entry. Look left, we have nowhere else to go now. That resistance. I think 1967 could be an area you should worry about. If you're in a trade though, 1967. But yeah. 1967 400. But you're like well in profit right now. I'll say secure some profits here, man. Close half and let it run risk free. So the TP on your runner. You have a Zoom group. I answered that already. Man, I keep reading old chats.
Secret society, man. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Course members get the access to the Zoom groups. But yes, you gotta look at the YouTube side. No trades this morning? Not yet.
We're waiting.
Yeah, see how they came up, but we're still in the range here overall. Cause yo, if this low gets broken, man, cause we can still break this low. This candle flip bearish, and once it flips bearish, yes, it's gonna be much clearer for a lot of you guys, right? We didn't break the highs, and we're gonna flip bearish. If you do flip bearish, high chance this is your bearish candle high for price to drive down. So let's see. That's why I'm waiting for the hourly close, and I wasn't answering off the 30-minute or 15-minute here. This whole idea of, you know, the 15-30-minute, which one in this scenario is a bit confusing, a bit more advanced. Not missing the goal anymore. 1,400 last week, and then Friday last 500 in 1 minute, y'all.
Dang.
I mean, hey, as long as it's, you know, less than 3% of your account, you're good. Are you trying to go short with that pair? No, I'm looking for buys. Man, I feel like, remember that that 2 days ago when we took a trade? This trade right here. Someone in chat's like, why are you buying? It was like, fuck, what was it? It was yesterday, right? Like, was it in the range? Where did we cash the buys yesterday? Buys yesterday was this. This is the 15-minute. Oh yeah. I forgot where.
Was that right before the opening?
This?
I think.
Oh, this.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's like
that.
right before the NY opening.
Alright, so there you go. So, 15. Oh, yeah, right here. 10. Yeah, I took a buy as it came back in the range here. Yeah. And they're like, why are you buying? I forgot what they said, but something about that. And like every trade I take with the bigger audience, no matter what it is, there'll be someone saying, why are you buying? Why are you selling? Why are you buying? You know, like, you think
gold drop?
gold price will drop? Not right now. No, not right now, bro. Your resistance, I can tell you that your resistance is 1967, but it doesn't mean that that's gonna reject and go down from there. You know, we can still continue to push further up from there. I'll say if looking for sells, man, I'll say wait for some type of structure before, man. Wait for an actual bearish trend. You know, right now it's just bullish. Look at the 4-hour time frame. Bullish.
Hell.
This is a bullish trend. A bearish trend is not just gonna be one 15-minute candle at 743. Like, it's not gonna determine that we're gonna come back down like this. No, just the whole trend is bullish, right? A trend would be like more of like this. Boom, 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 down from here. Like now you see your established trend. This is your trend now. So then if you want to take sells below a trend, you take sells coming down to this support. Like there's many moves you can catch. But sells right now, no. No, 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 no. I'll be a bit patient with that. Yeah, guys, I think man, this candle right here, see? Never broke the highs. Just wick. Let's see how it closes here. 15 minutes left. Buys invalid 30-minute break lows. 30-minute break lows, 30-minute break lows, 30-minute break lows. Yeah, I mean, buys were invalid. Well, buys are only valid if the 1-hour closed bullish here for me, or if we broke the highs here. That was it on this candle. But yeah, other than that, it's just like I'm not really looking for anything as of right now. Kind of in the range, right? But yeah, if you break the lows, you got a high chance we're gonna continue down here. High chance it's gonna get a big push down here, coming down to like this range here, and then eventually pop down further. Oh, there it is, breaking back in the range. Let's see here. Not bad, not too shabby. Alright guys, quiz time. We're gonna do a quiz on you guys. Alright? So, a lot of you guys might be new here, a lot of you guys might not know what it is, but if you guys were here yesterday, you guys will know. So, I'm gonna draw one candle out, and I want you guys to draw what it is on the smaller time frames. Alright? So, let's say you have one, let's go bullish. You have one, draw this candle. This is the hourly candle. Draw this hourly candle in the 50-minute form. Four 50-minute candles. Go. Oh shit. Alright. Draw this candle out. On Trading View. And send me a charts. Traffic, a real teacher, bro. Where you put your stop loss, bro, GJ? For what scenario? I'm not advised that. I can't determine where I'll put my stop loss yet because the thing hasn't formed there, right? Maybe if like this candle here closes bullish, my stop loss will maybe be below this candle. Enter off this candle if this candle closes bullish, or you can wait for the candle to break the highs, push stop loss below this candle. It depends. But yeah, gotta see. I can't tell right now because we're not in that scenario. Look at my GG idea. Got you. So I said draw the candle out. Not type it. Okay, so what you got here? You got GJ on the 30-minute time frames. Cool. Yeah, clean traffic to the upside. 30-minute candle break the high and close above. So you're talking about the next candle, right? So after this candle closes bearish in the range here, you're talking about the next candle that breaks the high is bullish. You're talking about this candle. I mean, yeah, that'll be pretty valid. The next candle breaks the highs. Yeah. Come up in the range here. Yeah, this is just a range, right? Yeah. I mean, yeah, it makes sense. That's what I'm looking for as well. Okay, so I'm saying a chart. Let's see. What was my candle again? What was this? So my question is, so I think some of you guys might be confused, right, with what I'm doing here, but okay, so you see this candle here? It's not too complicated, right? But okay, so you have a low here. Okay, so the first thing you should ask yourself is what's the low and what's the high? Figure that out first, right? How did the candle close? How did the candle close there? What color is it? It's bullish, right? Meaning that the whole structure of the candle should mainly be bullish. That should be the whole structure. It should be bullish. And what's the last thing this candle did before it closed? It made a wick, right? So what's that wick being created on? Alright? Ask yourself that. Let me check this one out. Let's see this one's right. There it is. Yeah. There it goes. See right here? See how that that looks now? You got pretty much let me draw it again here. You have this. That's what it is on a 1 hour candle. That's what it is, right? You have a resistance here, candle opening here, body closure here. This wick was being created on off of this bearish candle. So let me make it easier for you guys. I'll make it red here. Bearish wick, bearish wick. You got the, let's say this is yellow to make the range, right? And the bodies was pretty much green. This is your body. So you have that. Yeah, this is it. The first thing you should look at is how did the candle close? I mean, how did the candle open? And how did it close? What's the full structure of it? Okay, what's this? Buys after break of high of this level, show buys candle before agree. I'm not really looking at this in the past there, because this is like, after this you had this huge move going up, right? I would say I think looking for something similar to this. I think above here would be good, decent. That's your range. Above here you can take buys. But I'm not sure about here though. I don't really look at like past, like this far back. I look at just this, maybe this, but this is like behind all this. You know, that's not as valuable information to me. Oh shit, 1 hour can close bullish here, guys. 7 minutes left. This is gonna be a nice closure too. Very nice. 12 pip stops, not bad at all too. Just wait. 8 minutes. Yeah, GP news at 9 AM Eastern. Yes, sir. Cause like, yo, if this is your support formed, this is your support to drive up. If price were to break this low, then we'll potentially continue back down. If this candle closes bullish here and this candle breaks the lows, we're potentially continuing back down. And I think those would be very valid sells. Because right now you're looking at the higher time, looking at bullish momentum, looking at it being bullish, right? But if this were to be a case, if we were to form support here and we break this low here, these sells would be very valid to come back down. And I think you could take sells after it breaks out, if it breaks this low here of the next candle. And that's if this candle closes bullish, right?
I think it's really just gonna be ranging until that speaker talks at 9. To be honest, it's really how it's looking right now.
You think?
Yeah.
I think it's gonna push up. I think New York's gonna push it up here.
If there's no volume at like around 8:30, if it's just stuck in this range, then it's mostly gonna start pushing probably at like 8:45 or when the governor speaks. Highly likely. Usually does that.
What time do you trade? Usually 6:30 AM Eastern till 9 AM Eastern. 9:30, 9-ish. Do you reckon putting stops entry now in gold? Yes. You're 4% profit. I would also recommend to close some partial profits as well. Close half, close a percentage, whatever you want to do. You don't have to close, but in this scenario, I'll close partial. Racing till 10. 10 on a Friday. Maybe, I don't know, man. I got things to do, man. I don't know. I'll see, bro. If you know I feel great, then maybe.
Oh, I already said my story. should I run it back? Since this is ranging.
That's a long story, bro.
No, that's quick. I'm gonna run it up.
Better make it quick.
All right, let's go. All right, so
you have 4 minutes, right? So it's kind of closes.
I got 4 minutes. All right, baby, we got 4 minutes. All right, so what's up on Jimbo Trades? First I started looking at stocks after I seen like some marketers or whatnot. Learn about some candle chart patterns, but never learned about candlesticks and whatnot. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna give up stocks after like this one day where I was up like 2,000, right? And then the next day I woke up, some really bad news happened to each of those companies I was in, and then like my whole portfolio got blown up. So I pulled out whatever I had left and was just chilling.
Wait, was that on what's that?
What's way before FOREX.
Robinhood, yeah. Robinhood, yeah.
Then so I just took a break from trading and all that for a little while, and then it was like sometime last year. It was around June, like the end of June. My friend talked to me about FOREX. After like he seen I was holding like some dividend stocks, he's like, bro, you can make that in FOREX in a week or a month. I'm like, what? What the hell is that? So I was like, all right, bet. Let me try this out. So he pitches me in the IML, dumbass boy. I joined IML. I'm in there. Was making literally nothing with my old group. Out of nowhere, Don's Signal channel got sent in the chat. I'm like, yo, let me check this kid out. And then
that was last year.
Yeah, last year. So I took two of his gold trades. I think I made more in those 2 gold trades than I did like for the whole 2-3 months I was in that IML group. Like no cap. Like
that used to be a swinger too.
Yeah. And then What else? Oh yeah, then like before one of the monthly sessions was finna come, I'm like, yo, I'm wasting my money in this shit. I'm gonna just quit, and then I hit up Don. Um, After I quit, I'm like, yo, I'm down to join, and then joined Don's group. You know how that shit go. We just chilling, making money. And then me and Don became friends over time and shit. And yeah,
And yo,
so
I'm honestly gonna say, bro,
so
honestly, I see no improvement in Jimmy until this April or May. What was it, Jimmy? April or
yeah,
May?
it was April.
Until April.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cause I was tired of this guy. Yeah. Oh man. Because like yo, you guys know how it feels like when you've been through it before. Like, you've been through the steps
Yeah.
before, and you see that some guy just repeating the same steps, and no matter how many times you tell them, cause bro, me Sam used to tell this guy all the time, and no matter how many times you tell them, they'll still repeat the same steps over and over again. And it's like the steps are so easy to avoid, cause you've been through it. But like obviously someone else is new. Obviously someone else
Yeah.
that hasn't been through it
I
yet.
try to talk down to like the people I try to like put on. Like I tell them what to do. I give them like basically the knowledge that I learned, and they still fuck up. And then like they still complain like, "Oh, I'm not making money." This and that. I'm like, "Bruh, you're literally not learning."
Yeah.
Like I sat down with them, like I sent them a Zoom link. I'm like, "Yo, show me the things that I gave you, like all the content I gave you," and then like I just asked them like a few questions. I'm like, "Bruh, see this how I know you're not studying, not putting in work, or just not listening in general." Like the thing is, I tell them I don't overcomplicate things. I don't tell them to use 10 damn 15 indicators and shit. And yeah.
Dom, hold on, wait. Why you start training at 9 a.m.? We have big volume at 9:30 because the most consistent and volatile times in the markets is the pre-New York to the London overlap. Well, pre-New York to New York Open.
NYSE.
That's the most consistent for me. I've been doing it every day since March, right? So I'm just gonna stick with it. I mean, obviously you have late moves at 9:30, 10. Like those are late moves, but man, pre-New York is just golden, so I stick to that. I'm assuming my drawing to be correct for a bearish version. Yeah, I think you drew a bearish candle. Yes, you did.
A blackjack,
can you teach me? I'm waiting to learn. You can learn on the streams here for free. You gotta tune in every day for streams. All right, guys. Candle close bullish here support. Breaking the highs here. Ooh, is there a wick here? Is there a bond wick?
Yeah,
here
it's
on
like
this
a
candle?
little wick. Like if you look at the 5 minute and 1 minute,
That's
it's
an
like
empty
a
5
little
look.
wick.
1 hour has
Yeah.
no wick here. Hold on.
Oh yeah, I'll trade it view. Yeah, it's right there. It's just like real little.
That's the very small one.
No, I'm talking about
Yeah, I'll trade it view. It's a
broker.
small- Oh, broker. Yeah, it's a small wick too.
I think I need a bigger wick here, guys.
All right, bigger wicket. You're waiting for a bigger wicket. Never gonna,
Yeah. I mean, my stops. If I enter a trade, my stops gonna be this low, anyways. Cause below here will be sells, right? If we break this low here, who knows? We can make that wick right here. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. There it is. There it is. All right, there it is. There it is. So once the candle flips bullish, that could be your lower wick. Oh, there it is. Hold on, wait. Okay. Has it like I'm thinking I'm gonna enter a bias here as the candle flips back bullish. So I have this candle. You guys see have the candle here, 142.258. Once it flips back bullish there, because the little wick it's making right now, right? That's a lower wick. So once it flips back bullish, you'll see it much clearer. I'm entering a trade based off of pretty much support being created here on a 1 hour time frame, right? These two candles here.
As long as it respects previous hourly low, we straight.
Yeah, but if it breaks this low, guys, you can take sells.
Yep.
Breaks this low, you take sells coming down.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for this candle flip here. Be patient, guys. We wait like an hour and a half here, so yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys can wait for an hour to candle flip. Pretty sure. Ooh, that could be the flip. Flip.
Yeah, bro. Shout out to that Zoom call, bro. That shit changed everything.
It's still in that range on that 15 time.
Yeah,
Yep.
just look left. I'm just looking at left on the 15. Like
We're gonna buy
usually
here,
when
guys.
usually when it's in this range, it usually respects.
Wait, how big are these
respects-
stops here? 4 pips, not
If
bad.
you put out the previous 15, that's like
13 pips, not bad.
yeah.
So, guys, on this trade, guys, when GJ breaks these highs here, I'm moving my stops up to the current candle low.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
What's your story? Not down, cause I heard this story like hella time. Ifty, what's your story, man?
Man, it's long. I'll share it another day. It's depressing, but it's long. But
You
I'll
share-
share
Nah,
another day.
I was finna share like my story, but I just skipped like hella
I'll
parts.
share it next Friday if it's arranging.
Yeah, it was super raining.
Hey, guys,
I'll share the other part.
I think, guys, if this is a low,
Yeah.
if we're breaking the highs here, and this is the low,
Oh.
this is the low of the new hourly count to go up, right? We're breaking the highs here, so I think you can move your stops to up here. To think risk like 3 pips in the trade now.
Yeah, just move it up.
Yeah, because
Oh.
yeah, move my stops up, guys, here. We're only risking 4 pips now in this trade. That's 16 pips. I mean 13 pips. Reason being is because we're breaking the highs here. If we're breaking the highs here, this is the current hourly low. Price shouldn't break this low if it wants to drive up.
Yeah.
All right. Oh. I took a small position in this trade too. I took 2.0 lot. I mean 4.0 lot,
Damn.
not 2.0 lot.
Bruh, I can't wait till I can say that comfortably. Hey, small position for a lot, Not too much, not too much.
Yeah, the stops are small. Why do you wait for that lower wick before entering?
Is that a confirmation?
Price has to make a low to drive up, right? These lower wicks are just lower highs and higher lows. I'm still seeing the buys above 14300. 14300. I mean, yeah. I mean, I'm anticipating this count to push up here, above there, go further up. You could wait for a closure above. You could wait for that. I was like, I mean, I could if this attempt fails here, if we break the stops here, and later on we break above the highs here, I mean, just take another attempt because this attempt's only like 4 pips stops, right? The original stops were down here, and then we moved our stops to the current candle, which is up here. Where should take profit? My take profit is up here at 146.23. That's my TP. Yo, Jimmy, your stuff's down here.
125.
125, 120. Oh yeah, it's down here. So yeah.
So, cause you gotta let GJ breathe a little before it makes the move. That's what I've been noticing.
I mean, this is just like something that I always do. It's a thing. I don't know. It's just the way I guess the way I read candles. I don't know. I just because I always do this, guys. It's just like when it's breaking highs, it's just the most logical sense that this is your low, right? And if price is breaking this low, high chance it's gonna come back down to range here. So, the thing about this is like this is a small stop. So, the thing about this is if this hits the stops here, which it just did, you can just wait for pretty much price to break out this range like this. You can wait for a candle close bullish above the range here. That would be right there. And after this candle closes, you can attempt a second buy. So, right?
I think that would be a little bit safer.
Yeah, that's why I took 2 entries here. The first entry, anticipating that this is the hourly support to drive up, and second entry would be more of like closure above. Because the price is not, because I was expecting this candle to go up, right? And price is not going up on this candle, high chance we're coming back down to range here, and that's what the candle's doing right here. So yeah, now we're pushing down back into range. So yeah. And if we push down a range here, this candle will now be bearish. So you don't know if this candle's gonna flip back bullish later on. That's the thing. So that's why I moved my stops up there. That was the most logical sense in this trade for me. Because the thing for me is like once I see like a low, and price come down to break that low, this candle is now bearish, and I don't know if this candle is gonna flip back bullish. We don't know that yet, right? Because once we had a low, I was anticipating that that's the low for price to drive up, but you know we're breaking the lows here, so could come back down the range here. I mean, this is your support, so I'll say as long as price respects this low, we should be able to drive up. So let's see here, guys. First trade, 4 pips loss. I think that's our first loss of the week. Or second loss, I'm not sure, guys.
I think an aggressive entry, a 15-minute close above 268 would also work. 26270 on a 15-minute.
This is all above there.
Yeah. That's pretty much what you just said. Yeah.
Yeah, closer above.
Number, but,
yeah. Yes. Yeah. See how we came back in the range now? You'll be in drawdown right now if you guys didn't get out there. I mean, well, if you're gonna get off my entry. So. Let's see. We come close to breaking the lows here, and once you break that low, it's gonna be a waterfall. What time is the trade taken at? 8, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
8:04.
GG buys. 8:04 a.m. There we go. One trade so far. Very small stops. But it made the most logical sense, right? You see it right now? Kind of makes sense right now, right? Yeah. So if it does come down to original stops, I think we saved about 8 pips. Huge. Jimmy, what's your IG? It's Jimbo Trades. JIMBOTRADES. I think he was in my @ Oh no, I didn't add him here. I couldn't add him, but I'm in the comments here. Right here. No. Right here. Jim60. Yeah, guys, look what happens, you know. We didn't, you know, we broke the highs, but then we kind of stuck in the range here. Kind of still stuck in this mini range here. I was anticipating that the New York opening to push us up, since the 7 a.m. candle did close bullish. Very strong bullish too.
Jimmy, you can get 150 new fans on IG.
I wouldn't mind, man. I wouldn't mind. The more the merrier.
You about to get some spam text. Hey Jimmy, so what do you think about this trade? Hey Jimmy, what do you think about this trade? Hey Jimmy, what do you think about this trade?
Hi. You suck. Big boy trade for big. I heard it all, Steven, and all, bro.
Hey Jimmy, you know that question you asked me yesterday? I think it's a very important question to discuss. You asked me, how do you deal with big profits, right?
Oh yeah.
I think that's a very important question because
Yeah.
the way I deal with profits is I don't even look at the profits. I look at the trade idea. So every time you guys me getting hyped on a stream over a trade, it'll be because I broke down a trade and it played out exactly as planned, and that's what I look at. But I don't look at the profits. Like, I never look at the profits, and I'm never happy about like it's profits or whatever. It can be X amount. Like I could trade a $100 account and get like 10 pips for $1.
Not being happy, just like when you look at it, you be like, damn, what the hell? I really made this in X amount of time. Or,
yeah, I don't really look at it like that anymore. But I used to, but I don't really look at that anymore. I look at just the trade.
That's the part I'm working on, because I be looking at them like, did I really just make this? And like, I usually make this in 3 days, but I literally just make this in like an hour and a half. Or 2 hours sometimes. I'll be like, damn, I really made this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's the most rewarding thing about trading is you realize how many hours of your life you used to put into something different.
Yeah.
And that how many hours that you get back that you can put towards
Later
something
on.
different, like family or friends or whatever, right?
So it's a trade for a trade.
Yeah, that's the best thing about trading is that freedom that you really have. It's like what you said, Don. It's not the money necessarily.
And like, I don't trade for freaking Lambos, designer, all that shit. I don't care about that, bro. Like people my age group, I'm 21 by the way, care about that when they trade, when they want to start trading shit. I'm like, why though? Piece of metal, piece of fabric that's like $5-10, and like they upcharge you about like 1000% plus. Like, bro, do you really care about that, bro? Does that make you feel good? Does that piece of leather, piece of metal, a shiny piece of metal, make you feel good? Like, yeah, it's cool, you know, it's supposed to reward yourself, but just think about it in the long run. You think it's really worth it at the end, man? Like, I'd rather put my money in, like, to more assets now. That's what the first thing when I started trading, I'm like, man, I want a fucking Lambo. I want a goddamn Dior, Louis Vuitton, down, travel here, pop bottles in the club. I don't care about that shit now, bro. I could do that shit if I wanted to, but I don't care, bro. I'd be chilling. I just be going out to eat with my profits, chilling with my friends and family. Like, I don't care about no club. It's a whole virus out here. Why you want to go to a club and get sick and die? Because you want to turn up for like an hour and a half? Like, come on, dude. Yeah, bro. Trading not all about. Like, yeah, you know, you can celebrate, you know, do your thing. It's just whatever you make, just do whatever you want. But just think about the long run, bro. Assets is more important than Louis, Gucci, Fendi, Lambo. What's that shit? Benz, BMW.
Like,
you know?
no, just think about it.
Yeah.
You spent 1 year to learn Forex, so you can buy a car? Or in a couple years to learn Forex, so you can buy a car? Think about it. You're pretty much, because when you step to the Forex industry, you're pretty much stepping into a whole like different life.
Yeah.
Whole different lifestyle. And you're doing all this for a car? And what's the car for? It's not even so you can drive it. It's
Just
so
to go back and forth.
It's so you can show up on Instagram. You're doing this for others. And if you're trading for that, trading for others, man, you shouldn't be trading.
Yeah.
Cause then
Bruh.
yo.
You're gonna be sitting at 35, right?
Yo,
Like,
listen,
couch or
listen,
whatever.
hold on.
Be like,
let me
damn.
let me interrupt real quick. I don't think a lot of people on the stream know. I'm the older guy. My name's
Yeah,
Ifty.
yeah.
I'm 35 years old.
Big man.
Oh shit,
big
it's
man.
breaking.
Yeah.
You got Don. Yo, it's breaking. I'll shout. I'll
No. I mean, I'm
Yeah,
not. I'm not answering a sell. I'm just wanna watch. I'll watch a sell, but I'm not gonna answer a sell.
You got Don and you got Jimmy. These guys are so young. At 20 and 21, Jimmy, I don't know how old you
Yeah,
are.
21.
But bro, if I look back at what I was doing when I was 20, 21, it's a whole different scene what these kids are doing. And this is how I know in about a year's time, oh my gosh, Don, this channel is going to be exploding. The discipline and the mentality that these guys have, I just wish I had that when I was 21. But I mean,
How was your head at 21?
you go on their IG. They don't
Cocaine.
flash. They don't got cars. They don't got jewelries, and you see them trading successfully. You see them with their profits and they talk about their loss, but they never show off. So I mean, if you guys in the stream can adapt some of that, you'll save many sleepless nights, a lot less gray hair than I got. I mean, it'll make a hell of a difference. And
Yeah.
just be humble and be happy with what you have. And
Yeah, bro.
life isn't about those cars and jewelries and everything. Those things come and go, but it's the other things that count, you know. So that's my little spiel there.
Yeah, man. Cause,
Yep.
bro, I know how. Look, I'm finna get personal real quick while I'm still ranging, bro. I'll be personal. I ain't never had money in my life until like just last year type shit. Like, I never knew like the important value of a dollar value. Like, until like last year. No, not even last year. Like 3 years ago.
Wait, didn't you work before?
Yeah, I know.
Um.
Like, I ain't never know about taxes, none of this shit. Like, I was like, what the hell's an asset? What is a real estate? What is trading? You know? I was like, what is this? Then like when I hang around with like older people, they just like let me know. Like, I don't mind being like, you know, learn new things, man. I used to be like, oh, I don't care about this, that. I only care about, you know, getting lit, partying and all that shit. But I don't even care about that no more, bro. Like, all that shit doesn't even matter. I hate it. Like, people be like, I'm too like boring. I'm like, I'm not boring. I just don't care. That shit boring to me. The club is boring. The mall is boring. All that shit's boring to me. I'd rather go on a fucking hike than go to a mall. Literally, I
Hey,
went on a
bro.
whole ass hike. I literally went on a whole
Hey,
ass hike.
I feel you because I'm about to go on a picnic later, and that shit got me more. That got me more hyped than like
Yeah, bro. Cause literally, I drove an hour and a half just to go on a hike. Cause I was like, I'm bored and I need something active and relaxing to do. So I did ass on a whole ass hike. Like people be like, oh, I'm gonna go drink. I'm gonna go this that. I'm like, why?
Bro,
You're fucking up yourself, bro.
I play tennis. I play hockey, baseball. That
Bro, I
gets
used
me
to play
hyped, man.
baseball until like my ankle snapped one game, and then
Oh, damn.
bro, that dude's such a dickhead. He hit that shit. He threw it out my ankle on purpose, bro. I was look. Let me tell you about this funny ass shit. So my friend hit a double hitter, right? Like it went past the middleman, the middle infielder. Bruh, the middle infielder threw the ball so hard to second base. I took out my ankle.
Ooh.
I was like, yo, coach, you gotta switch me out. Bruh, it looked like a goddamn egg was on my ankle, bro. That shit was so nasty, bro.
A real baseball?
A real baseball.
Oh, man.
It was like one of those like private schools. Bruh, my ankle got demolished, bruh.
Jeez.
That shit was hilarious, though. That was the most funniest game ever.
Yeah.
But yeah, back to Forex, though. What's the white smudge? Nah, that's a waterfall, my friend.
Yep, this is a waterfall, guys. Are you taking sells below the 1 hour low? 1 hour low just broke. Oh man, we're gonna drip or drown here.
Drip or drown.
This is dripping season. Ooh. Get ready for a waterfall here, guys. Get ready for a waterfall. Yeah, we're breaking lows here. We broke out the range here. Broke out the lows. We're gonna come down here. I'm not gonna take any sells. I'll watch it play out. You guys can take sells if you guys want. I think your stop loss on the sell would have to be this high, yo. And you know, if you enter down here, but I think, man, you're for the waffle.
Yeah, bro. All I gotta say is,
But I'm not entering any sells. I'm probably gonna take that one trade for a day. Or I'll take a buy again if we break back into the range above here. But I'm only gonna take buys today probably.
But yeah, bro. Best advice every older person gave me: live life, man. You only got one. Live this shit up. Take that risk. You know. Talk to that girl. Talk to that guy. Whatever. You know.
100%.
Yeah, 100%.
Wait, after you married?
Yeah, man. I've been. I got my high school sweetheart.
No.
Oh
Nice.
shit!
I've been with her for 15 years, and we
15
were married for 8.
years. Wait,
Hey.
high school at 20?
Hey?
Wait, you?
Huh?
No,
No.
she was.
No, at 15, right?
Yeah.
So they were together for 15.
Oh, at 15.
No. Well, I don't get into age, but we've been together for 15 years.
Oh, 15
Oh,
years.
16
okay,
years.
gotcha.
And married 8 years, and then
Okay.
we just got our kid. It's been 2 years.
8 years, damn. So that's
But yeah, bro, as
7
I always
years,
say,
7
you're the
years.
most happiest 30-year-old I ever met.
Yeah.
Wow, bro. Like, literally, I'm for real, bro.
Yeah, man. I appreciate when you guys say that. It makes me smile, but it's all good though. Yo, you surround yourself with positive people and good energy, and that's how you be.
Yeah.
bro.
That's it.
You are who you surround yourself with.
That's it, brother.
But yeah, bro, GJ is just taking
guys
a
see how-
town on people
You guys,
right now, bro.
you guys see how we managed to reduce our stops there? Look what happened. Look, see what I did there in that scenario? I moved my stops to the current candle high. It broke that current candle low. It broke that low, and look where it's at now. You just saved yourself 12 pips, so you just made 8 pips today. Well, I made 8 pips. Well, I took the trade. I made 8 pips, right? I technically made 8 pips in that trade, because I knew how to cut my lashes short. But you have to cut it in the most logical way. You can't cut your lashes short because you just feel like it's not gonna go up or feel like it's not gonna go down, right? I got the trade because I understood that was a low being created for the hourly candle, and this price broke that low, high chance we're gonna continue down. If price went to go, it would have went up from there, but it didn't, right? So, yeah, that's why you should your lashes short there. Buys are nothing. We are deep. Heading out for a day. Have a nice day. Yeah, you too, bro. Have a great day today. Do you think news will affect this move down for GJ? I'm not sure.
Yeah, when she speaks or he, I don't know.
He.
But it usually gets like, yeah, it usually gets a little wonky.
Yeah, Raj is right. The big move did happen because the Japan Prime Minister resigned. Yes.
Yeah.
That's why the huge move down happened.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're looking like the New York Open push. We broke the lows. Looks like we're going to continue that move down. Like we're breaking back into this range, right? Look at it. We broke it down earlier. We're breaking back into this range here. High chance we're gonna tap this level here. 139,900. High chance. Why did you buy in the first place? Didn't break. The hourly closed bullish at support. I attempted to buy here. The 4 pip stops. Yeah, I was anticipating that that's the support for price to drive back up, right? But then price broke the low, so there's no more buys anymore. I mean, I guess what I could have done is maybe just wait for 30 minutes to break out of the range. But I mean, the 1 hour, I just, you know, either way, the 1 hour close at support, right? So
GDP.
I mean, the trade made sense to me.
Cat GDP finna come out.
You wouldn't make mistakes like that. I don't know if that was a mistake. I'll take this trade again if I seen it. 100%. 1000%. I'll take this trade again if I seen it. This buy here. I took it many times before. Now I'll continue to take it again. It stopped me out once. It doesn't mean I'm never going to take the entry again. It's still a high probable trade. Right? Like, it doesn't matter if the trade hits stop us once, twice, 3 times, man. Overall, man, this is a 80% probability trade. I've taken it many times. You know, price is the same thing over again. It's just that I think the issue I had here was maybe I could just I mean, can't really say anything. I'll take the same trade again. Yeah. Only the next candle breaks. I mean, this candle broke the highs. We were like, what, 1 pip in profit? Not bad. But yeah, I mean, cut a lot short. If you can do that, that's all that matters. But yeah, at this point, there's no more buys. No more buys at this point. Get ready for a waterfall. If you guys are in sells, then hey, I want to see you guys spam the like button once you tap the support here. Who's in sells there? Chat, who's in sells? To me, is actual count not a break? To me, a break is not an actual count not a wick. It depends on the scenario though. For me, in this scenario, this is a whole different scenario. I was looking at the 1 hour here, creating support. But yeah, Camille Harris, you can wait for buys as well. I mean, hey, it depends on the scenario. Every scenario is different, right? Look, I'll show you many times where we're taking the trade here. Let's see. Let's see. I think right here, this one. I'm going to anticipate that since the 15-minute close bullish and 30 minutes close bullish as well. I'm going to say that this might be the 1 hour low if we're going to push up here. Because now, like, if you look at it, it's kind of like a fake out, come back in the range, and now the 30-minute count is closing in the range. And now this candle should just, you know, eventually come up to tap this resistance and eventually break that resistance, go up. Because if this is a fake out, you know, like I said, 85% chance of filling it and a 75% chance of continuing bullish. This resistance right here, this candle high right here, and that's a 1 hour high. So when price gets like around this level, I'm probably gonna move stops to entry this level and make it a risk-free trade close like 50%. I think this is a similar trade, or 60%. But yeah, I'm moving to your stops to entry, guys. Risk-free trade. And yeah, it's pretty much also support. But this is a different trade. This is not just like a this is like a different trade idea from I think what you're talking about. Markets are slow on Friday though. Yeah, you guys are in shorts, guys. I'll say like once like you tap the support here, Looking left. I think you can move your stops to entry and close half at. And with 6 to 7% profit, the way you manage is up to you here in these scenarios and how you got to trade. I didn't really get in here. Yeah, I'm the only trade I'm looking for, guys, is buys above here in this scenario now. I'm taking buys above here.
Alright, 8:30. Let's see what happens. See what it do, baby. Yeah. There's no setups or anything. We're just chill out till next week.
Yes,
man.
sir.
Chill out. You
Be
make
patient.
profits, or if you had a bad week, just chill out. Close the MC5. Relax. It's my new routine, bro. After every training day, I just delete MC5.
Markets are slow on Fridays, though. Not always.
Nah, this Friday, boy.
This Friday was definitely not slow, man.
That's
It
the
depends.
OC
It depends.
motherfucker.
Not every Friday's gonna be the same. Not every Monday's gonna be the same. Not every Tuesday's gonna be the same. Not every Thursday's gonna be the same. Not every, you know. It's obviously Fridays. You should reduce your risk, but like, you know, the volume and how fast it moves, how slow it moves will depend. It depends. It varies. It's not gonna be like every Friday's gonna be slow. Like.
You ready for NFP next week, though?
You
Ready?
Yeah.
I love
I don't
NFP
really.
week.
It's the same for
It's
me.
fun. More volume.
I mean, yeah. The Fridays are lit though. The streams are lit.
Hell yeah.
I think we're known for those Friday streams. LP Fridays. I got a bad month. Shake my head. 7,000. God damn.
Whoa.
I'm only up. I think. Let's see. This month I'm up. My account. 14. Not bad. 1,400. Not bad. I mean 14,000. Not bad.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, I took this whole month. I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I took 27 trades this month. 27 trades.
Nice. 28 days and.
How much are you up for the week? The week I'm not up much this week. I'm up like let's see, 23rd, 28, 1.4. I took 5 trades this week.
Look at that
6.
15-minute close back into the range. Maybe another minute to go.
Yeah.
Oh, I did.
What's the best for the month? Yeah, it's not my best month, but it's like a decent month. I had a slow. The past 2 weeks have been slow for me, but it's still decent. I still profitable
Like,
weeks.
the beginning of this month it was terrible, and then I don't know how I pulled off this whoop-de-whoop at the
But-
last 2 weeks. But yeah.
I
it
think.
happened.
What was your biggest stop of the week? Of the month. My biggest stop of the month this month was. Biggest stop loss of the month. And pips
I
wise.
think it was like 15. No, not 15. Like 12.
10
It was
pips.
also-
10 pips was my max this month. This month, I think I did a good job at managing my trades. I think it was the best month for managing trades this month. An example would be what we just did today. These scenarios here. But yeah, I think I did a pretty good job of that.
Alright, USD news came out. Yeah, that happened. GDP for CAD came out really good. Nice. So.
No revenge trade though, that's fine. Like, a lot of people can make whatever, they can lose whatever, but all that matters is how many trades you take the month. How many trades you take, you know. What's your biggest stop? You know.
Do you remember your worst revenge trading day? Or no?
That was probably like last year, bro. If I'm being honest with you. I haven't
You never-
revenge traded in a while. No,
Yeah.
maybe like. No,
The first
I
time
don't
it
remember, bro.
happened.
I don't remember.
You don't remember the first one? I remember that shit. It was off gold. Man, I lost like 200 off gold.
The first
Pitched it
time.
back.
Oh, the first time. Yeah, that was. Yeah, it's blurry in my head, but I remember. Can't remember it. I'm up 60%.
All I remember was gold. That's it. It was gold. I was in a sell. Lost 200, made it back, and then I was like, wow. Cause it was like a small lot, and then I came back with a bigger lot, and then I'm like, 10K. I'm dipping.
Bro, I was slumped.
Big glass, throwing that boy.
Bro, slept for 2 hours right now.
Yeah, I'm up.
Sure.
For the month so far, I'm only up 36%. I just calculated
Nice.
from this month.
That's great.
36, and for the week, I think I'm up like. I think I'm up like. How do I calculate this? Let's see.
This man Don is better than my freaking accountant teacher, to be honest.
What's this?
Bro, Wanda's so weird.
Yeah, I'm up like 2% for the week. Like I'm not even up that much for the week.
Shit,
I only took 5 trades. I took a minimum trades this week. I didn't take much. But yeah, only up like 3%. 3% pretty much. 2.6. So it's not bad.
Good
But
question though.
what?
Did you pay your taxes yet? Dun dun dun.
Yeah, I did actually.
Alright, good.
It was hefty.
Please.
It was hefty, bro.
You know what I mean? Where it's like you're
Oh,
crying.
so hefty. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that girl crying or whatever, and I was Don paying his taxes.
Keep most of your money on before you cash out. I do both. I will have to cash out though. Every month, at least twice a month. Only. I mean, once you get to like a certain like consistent level, once you get to like a certain level, where you're consistent enough, you can just kind of, you know, kind of get used to it. I mean, yeah, I mean, think about it. Like I'm up 36% for the month, right? But think about that. That's like a $1 million account. How much are you up by? 360K. A $100 account. How much you're up by? $36. You know, $1,000 account. How much you're up by? 1,360. You know, 5K account. You're up by what? 750. You're up like 2,500, something like that. Whatever. So like, you know, it's. Or no, less, 1.6, something like that. But yeah,
Wait,
still.
wait. You're at 10,000 account, and then you're up by 36%, 3,600.
No, I'm talking about the 5K account. But yeah, 10K account, yeah. Like
5K account, that's like.
it's all this. Like, you
2,000
shouldn't be looking at like, you know, how much I made. You should be looking at my percentage. Like I'm only up 2% for the week. It's just, I mean, it's not great, but it's still decent. It's still a positive week. Let's see though. We have like. Oh, it's a Friday today. I didn't take that in. Yeah, this is the last day. See. What's a good account start? That will depend on you. Whatever account is, whatever amount is fine. Just understand your risk though. Like people get too focused on how much do I need, how much, but they don't focus on what should my risk be. I never get that question. What should my risk be? It's just, well, you know, so some guys like DM me every day. It's like, yeah, I have a flip that account. Don, do you think you can help me flip it to like $1,000? I'm like, why is that your focus? Why is this be 1,000? Like, why don't you try flipping $50 to $55, $5 profit? You know, try flipping that. Oh shit, guys, 30-minute counter here. Made a high, respected this high, coming down here. Looks like we're gonna fill this wick fill, right? Let's see. I think 30-minute here closes in what? 23 minutes. Man, the 1 hour did break the lows here. So if we get a closure below here, oh man, it's gonna be a waterfall. So we already know that we broke the 1 hour lows here. But if we actually get a closure below, yeah, high chance we're gonna come down a lot further. But yeah, I think buys, guys. I think buys will be above here, above this resistance. Hug controller, I have a question about taxes. How do you do it? You can message your account. Go answer that question for you. Bro, it's my first year doing FD taxes, so ask your account. I forgot to put stop loss, and that's how I messed up my 10K account. Well, man, did you forget or you didn't want to?
You didn't want to.
Yo, I'm looking for buys, and that huge wick 30-minute concern for me this Friday. Huge consolidation, organic range, but As I said, hey, we had an organic day today though.
So
Very organic day. It's a win today. That trade we took was a win in my eyes. Manage the losses, stand let hit stops, avoid stops, clean. Like I said, I tell everyone every day, come on streams, not for the pips, come for value and knowledge, right? Even our winning days, like yesterday, 12 pip winning day, you know. And for pips and knowledge, you would have caught that move for photos, right? Do you trade the NY session? Yes, I only trade the NY sessions from 6:30 AM Eastern to 9 AM Eastern. Okay. Oh, yeah, I know this kind of looks different. Yeah, the brokers are different at FXCM and Oanda. Just choose whatever fits your broker the most, whatever matches your MT5, and just stick with that on TradingView. Only thing with Hugo's way, I don't know, man. I would not trade it. So I'm telling you, I would not trade on Hugo's way. Oh, yo, someone asked about the little simulator in our bio. I fixed the link, so you guys can click on that link if you guys want to use the simulator we use.
Bro, my foot is hurt. Why?
How come, if you don't mind me asking? Because there's many times where they closed out my trades randomly. It had nothing to do with margins because I was not over leveraging at all. My margin was way above. And they just closed it. Don't know why. Again, they don't support MT5, right? So there's the answer. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, see how like this 15-minute here closed bullish on a 15-minute time frame, but the 1 hour still respecting the highs, 30 minutes still respecting the highs, right? The 15 closed bullish here with no top wick. What does that mean? There's no range to go up, right? So I think once you break below this wick here, you're gonna see like just a huge waterfall. Once you break below this candle low here. Someone said earlier about a break to me is actual candle, not a wick. I suggest you watching this video here. This video could help with that. Understanding what a wick is and what a body is, the difference between the two, and how they are both pretty much the same. Well, not the same, but difference. Jimmy, are you still in a trade, bro? Jimmy Lee.
What?
Pretty oh, gold just broke the lows here. Gold alley candle just broke the lows here. We tapped this resistance level, and I'm guessing this is your resistance because we're breaking the lows here. This is your high. I'm looking at I think buys now and on gold. Since we did make a resistance here, I think you can wait for buys above this high here, above these levels here. Let's say we come back up here, close and start to back up bullish, retest the highs. I'm saying you can probably take buys, go back up like this. Once you break above here, so that's your resistance, right? Because you have to understand, the market moves like this. This is how the market moves. It moves up, it pushes up, makes a resistance, comes out and makes a support, and you have a range. Once you understand that simple concept, everything else will just flow easily. The simple concept could look simple, but it's not as simple to like see it, you know? It's just pretty much the same thing over and over again. For example, let's say right here. Price pushed up, range, breakout. Same thing, price pushed up, resistance, support, range, wait for a breakout. Same thing everywhere. Price pushed down, range, breakout. It's a simple concept, you just gotta figure out how. And GJ right now could be doing the same thing. You know, you get a simple breakout, range, and if you break the lows here, if you close below here, you're gonna come further down. Push up, range, back up. You know, because every time price reaches traffic, or every time price reaches like a certain area where price will look left and it'll see like a lot of resistance at, it would just mean that that's an area where price could potentially make a range. Look left on GJ. Why did GJ stop here? Your question is, why did GJ stop here and not down here? Because if you look left, that's where traffic is. That's where price is gonna make a range at. So once you have that range, wait for a break low or above, take buys or sells. How do you know what percentage of your account should you use per trade? Does it depend on leverage? So let's say you have a $100 account. If you're risking 3% per trade, you're risking $3 per trade. That's 3%, right? You know percentages. I'm pretty sure you've been in some type of math class. You break everything down so simple. Love it. Hey, appreciate it, bro. I used to think I used to be bad at explaining things, but it turns out I'm not as bad as I thought. People like the way I break things down. Because I'm very simple. I'm a very plain, simple guy. You guys know Kawhi Leonard? You know, that guy's very simple. Very simple guy. Nothing too complicated, you know. Hey, yo, trading's too complicated already, bro. And if you're just here saying, man, you're just gonna bounce off the next pivot, to reject the HOV of the ARS, to go up to the next pivot point off of the 38.6 fib, to bounce off of the indication that we're gonna have smart money here, that the banks are buying here, to come back down to this support. I think we're gonna go up here. You know, if you're saying that, bro, compared to what I'm saying, bro, man, that's too complicated, man. Simply the best two-way player of all time. Yes, sir. Yeah, Kawhi Leonard for sure. You trade AU? No, I don't, bro. But I'll suggest for beginners. That's a good pair for beginners to trade, actually. Not bad. It's a steady movement pair. What pairs do you trade, or does it vary? That would vary on you. You're trying to figure out that for yourself. I'll say stick to whatever session, stick to one session per day, and focus on the pairs that move during that session. And a tip, you know, if you're new here, if you only want to focus on one currency, trade like GJ during New York, because the yen is closed right now. So you're only trading the pound right now. So you only gotta focus on one currency. Whereas if you're trading like USD CAD, you're gonna be focusing on dollar and the Canadian dollar. And it's gonna be you're gonna have a bit more conflict than you would if you were just trade, you know, USD JPY or something. Yo, it's my boy Controller on this one. Nice stream, man. Hey, bro, appreciate it. Although, nice stream, although we didn't take any profits today. It's alright. Let's see, who knows?
Life stories.
Yeah, a lot of knowledge today. Where are you at, bro? I was calling you.
Me? I was here, bruh.
No, he wasn't.
Oh, so
What
you're
he like?
ignoring me now.
Just
Okay,
play.
I see.
That's fine. I was
Oh,
just playing,
alright.
bro. I was helping my nephew set up his online class. My
Oh,
bad.
oh, so
Bro,
you're lying to
he
me now.
wasn't.
You're lying to me
Bro,
now.
I can literally show you him on
Oh
his
no, it's
class right
alright,
now.
bro. It's alright, bro.
That's all right, Jimmy. This is
Alright,
cool.
I see how it is,
Alright,
bro.
you know what? Y'all hurting my feelings. I'm never joining this stream again. I go.
That's funny, bro.
That's a
No,
shit I
Todd,
am.
you been here the entire time?
No. I was helping my nephew set up his
No,
online
Taj.
class. Taj?
Bro,
Yeah, he was asleep.
bro,
Oh.
look. So I woke up 3:30, got on. I was up for like 10, 20 minutes. Slumped out. I
Done.
was like, what? I woke up right now, 2 hours later. Y'all still on. Thank God.
But
We was
The-
really
the-
joning your snoring ass.
gonna go over explaining. I love. It's consolidation for 9 a.m. news. 9 a.m. news. Oh yeah, 9 a.m. news here in speech. Yeah, I'm like looking at this, bro. I think it's gonna continue down here.
Mhm.
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 I don't think buys are gonna be ready until we break
I think
the highs.
buys are out the door right now.
Yep. Hmm.
I think they were out the door ever since that second.
I think if this
market
hourly
close.
candle closes bearish here, I might attempt to sell.
Mm.
I want to see. I want to see how the stops are in the 15 at the time. If this is a high, because we're breaking the lows here, man. 30-minute, you know, filling the wick here. Hmm. Yep.
Freaky deaky Fridays, bro.
Looking for those below.
Oh, y'all got in the trade, bro?
We got one trade already. Took a
For
4 pip
real?
loss. Yeah. Um. Waiting for. Oh. Man, if you guys may not think that cutting your losses short is important, man, but I'm telling you, bro. Think about it. You take you take like 10 trades in a week, 2 trades per day, right? And if you cut your losses short on each of the losses that you take, of the trades that you take, it's gonna add up, man. We saved 8 pips today. Think about let's say we took 10 trades this week and we took 2 losses, right? Or let's say we took 3 losses, and out of those 3 trades, you cut your losses short, and let's say each of those 3 trades, your stop loss was originally 10 pips, but you cut it down to 5. So together you lost 15 pips. But what you could have lost was 30 pips. So it's a lot. It adds up. And think about long term. Think about like in a year. Like how is it gonna add up? Because it not only is important to carry losses short to reduce your profits, but it's just to understand the trade. Like I understood why I cut my losses short today. I understand how I did it, and that's what's important here. But the key is it's not just because I want to save money. It's trade in general.
It's that. Really, it's that and this self-control. Really, cutting losses short and then winning's going long. It's basically like a self-control thing. Like, why would you want to hold on to like a really bad losing trade? You know.
Yep.
Save your money.
So, yo, what's your target? My target is gonna be 139.860. Look left. I think we should be ahead towards that target if we break the support here in 8 minutes here. We gotta close below here.
Yeah. But if it manages to flip back bullish,
Cause this candle when it came down earlier, I was expecting it to continue further down, and I'll say once it breaks below there, if this candle were to break below these areas, it's gonna be clean like clean traffic, like TP type traffic. So like
Wait,
big push in like 5-hour waiting for a 1 minute move type traffic, like clean traffic, like gold like yesterday at 10 a.m. type traffic. So yeah, I think
like that 9:30 range on Wednesday, bruh.
Yeah.
Literally, as soon as we got off stream, GJ wanted to act out. Want to show out as soon as we end the stream.
Yeah, this week we got a couple of late pushes.
Yeah, a lot,
right.
a
This
lot.
whole
Like,
week been like pushes
it's
really.
rare though. It's not rare, but
Like-
it's not consistent. You know.
Last night was the most craziest late push I ever caught.
Oh, we're breaking the lows. Oh, we're breaking the lows. Came close. Came close. It's right there. It's French right there. Man, get ready for clean traffic. The cleanest traffic of your life. Okay, yeah. Get ready for the clean traffic of your life, guys. So if gold comes bearish, wait for another 15 confirmation. What do you mean? Send me a chart of what you're looking at. I think it's gonna come back in the range here. This is your range for gold. This is your resistance. We're breaking to that support here. I think if we break below there, we're gonna come down towards 1946. Coming back in the range here. Like so. And then once it breaks below that support, we're gonna break back into this range. Alright, and then eventually this range. But I think the first range you gotta worry about is breaking it back into this range. 1946. Because buys will only be above here. 1967-ish. 1965-ish. Oh my god. Okay. GJ. Oh. Get ready for clean traffic, guys. Where's my waterfall? There it is. We're not waiting for a break on GJ. Yeah, wait for the alley close on GJ here. But if you just continue down here before the alley closes, then that's fine. But yeah, guys, like this right here, once you break below here, this didn't mean to enter down here. your entry should have been like around here, these areas, right? This is like just like a little like, you know, we're heading towards like very clean traffic now. It should be head towards this, but it doesn't mean you can enter here. Whenever I say like waterfall, I don't really mean like you enter right now because it's gonna be a waterfall, because then you'll be entering because you're having FOMO or whatever, right? I just mean it by, you know, to expect a lot of clean traffic here. But I'm waiting for this alley to close here, and if we close below this range here, I'm looking for potential sells coming down to this target. This is like a 25 pip move.
150 pip move overnight. That's crazy.
Yeah, this range is not bad. Yep. Yeah.
Might as well just stay on for 9:30. Seems like
Yeah.
that day.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Would you sell your next support line? Where's my next support? Down here? If I were to sell down here, I'll wait for a break below this range here to come down here. Yeah. But we don't know what's gonna happen here yet, right? We don't know what's gonna happen there if you don't know what's gonna happen here yet. We're gonna get in for a sale. I'm gonna get in for the sale. The sale.
So?
Yeah, I'll get in for the sale.
What store are we going to?
What store are you going to? You gonna go to Costco today? Man.
Going to Brampton today.
Looks like this 9 AM push is gonna continue here. Brampton? You say Brampton?
Belmont boys.
Yes, dear. You from Brampton?
Man, I'm from Koreatown. I'm at Young and Shepherd.
Yeah, I know. He's playing. You know, you follow Six Buzz, right?
Yeah.
You know about the
Bruh,
Brampton
it's
memes.
just hilarious.
Yeah.
People are crazy there. Like the drivers.
Oh
Jimmy?
yeah.
People are
Bruh,
nuts out
I
there.
know. Yo, that's
You
wanna-
follow Six Buzz, right, Jimmy?
Yeah, that's just hilarious. I know some Brampton people. Then, bro, the most funniest Brampton experience I ever had. That shit was hilarious, man. Mans was really like, come to Brampton and I'll show you what's up. I'm like, bruh, I will beat this shit out you, bruh. Like, we're on a whole game playing around. Then this man on talk like that. I'm like, are you talking Messi over a mic, bro?
Yeah, this pitch is so funny.
Hell yeah. I think the funniest one was the one that I said Don when the dude ran up to his star and start beating him up. That was
Oh yeah,
hilarious,
the maple
bro.
syrup one.
Yeah, the convenience store thing. That shit was hilarious, bro.
Yeah, this is all like Toronto based there.
Yeah. Chrome ass. Hello. Hey, Brad, people be like, Chrome ass stink. I'm like, yo, chill. Y'all making me laugh too much.
Organic trading, guys.
Organic trading. Let's see how GJ closes, man.
Yeah.
Big man, big man. I don't have the facilities for that, big man. Alright, this news feeling crazy.
You know, one time someone said they tried to rub this off the screen. This waterfall.
Yeah, that shit was funny.
Yo, what's this on my screen? Just imagine trying to rub this off my screen. It's just the guy behind the screen. Yo.
Deadass.
Yeah.
Alright, anyways.
I think I need a better waterfall. That waterfall looks kind of too realistic. Yeah.
Hey, it should be like you holding a water gun and pointing at the candle. This would be funny.
Or like Niagara Falls or something.
Niagara Falls.
15 trades a day, 0.0 lot. LOL, LOL. No more. Oh wait, no, I read whatever LOL from. Lot, no more, one trade 0.10 lot. That is it. I don't know how to do it. No scary anymore. Grow up on my confidence and one lot.
Oh shit, we just made a hit single. Hold on, bro. I know this shit recorded, bro. We finna go to the studio right now. I'm flying out to Toronto. Yo, this candle manages to flip. Boy, oh boy.
Yeah, I think we need a, man, just really need a close below here. Yeah. And yeah, let's see. No close below, no sells. If it closes above, we're looking for buys above here, 140-300. Let's see here. We have like a minute left, a lot of time left. So, I mean, last year's trade today, 4.0 lot. Took one trade. What's the best time frame to trade on? This question. Best time frame to trade on would be all the time frames. Use all the times to the best of your ability. Yeah, I honestly wouldn't mind if you range for the rest of the day because look at the weekly time frame. It's a nice wick for next week. High chance we're gonna continue up next week. You know, it's still gonna close bullish, right? Next week is open up bullish and continue up bullish, right? So I wouldn't mind if you just close where it is right now and just range for the rest of the day. That's fine. Daily's bearish, but the weekly is still bullish. So the weekly is always gonna take over the daily. So yeah.
Alright, Governor Bailey speaking.
We're closing below here, guys. Yep. Stops are too big though for me. 22 pips, yeah.
The UK's Fed Powell is speaking. It's about to get reckless in this bid.
They want the candle flips, guys. This can be your high. For the high for the candle to come down. Let's wait for this candle to flip here. Because when it opened up, what did it do? What did it first do? It came straight up. I mean, this could be a high that's creating for price to come down. Let's see. What time's the speech happening right now, right?
Yeah, 9:05. 5 more minutes. But usually before the speech, it gets crazy. Because on a 1 minute, it didn't make a bottom wick. That's the thing. It's not popping on trading view.
Yeah, it just came straight up. What is that? When it kind of opened up here?
No, it's like a bottom wick on the meta trader. But it's not popping up on the.
Is Eagle FX cool, bro? If you start up, Eagle FX.
Never heard of them.
I heard of it. They're a new broker. I don't know, man. I think they're like, honestly, I think they're like QLT FOREX, bro. I think. Did they have MT5?
Nope. They're new.
FX, Eagle FX. Depends on what you're looking for your patience game. But yeah, it just depends on, like, I scalp, right? I scalp in like I use the 15 minutes to enter my trades, 30 minute. But I still use the weekly time frame to find my direction and my daily, you know, find my direction for a day.
So done.
Ooh, we breaking back in the range here. This could be a fake out, guys. This could be a fake out. Look at this. You had a range, you had a breakout, and now we're coming back in the range here. This candle never flipped back. This candle never had a lower wick. It never flipped back bearish to go down, right? We're breaking the highs on the 15-minute. High chance you can continue up here. So once you continue up here, you can wait for a candle to close above, and you look for buys coming up. Let's see. You have options there. Yeah, but there's no sells yet. This candle didn't flip.
Bro, I'm tripping right now, bro. What's that song?
What song?
Oh, it's my freaking brother's phone, bro. Loud ass vibration. No, it's not rocket ship yet, bro. It's just a little.
Yeah, I think rocket ship's gonna be above here.
Yeah. Rocket ship's above that 14300 zone. Then you can consider the rocket ship. This is the command center right now. It's command center. Look to your left. This is where it rejected.
This is your command center, so.
Yeah,
So
this is command center. This is
your-
where they said 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this where they're at. Right now they're getting their coffee and seeing if the pilots are ready to fly.
Oh
So
no.
just wait.
I have a rocket ship. What am I drawing out here? There it is.
Bro, you know who you need to bring back into the stream, bro?
What?
Candle Man, the dude that be lifting the candles.
Who's
The dude that
Candle
be
Man?
The one that be benching the candles, bro.
Oh, Candle
Yeah,
Man. Yeah,
Man.
yeah. I'll bring him back.
If y'all was really here from the start, y'all know Candle Man. By
Yep.
now, bro.
Only
He
knew what you
There was
know.
one time where he saved us.
Yep. Candle Man
Where
saved
we almost
us.
we almost got stopped out, but Candle Man came out of nowhere and saved us by 3 pips.
Oh,
And
guys,
was
see
very
that?
contagious.
Broke the 15-minute highs, coming back in the
Broke the
range
30
here.
high.
And man, once you break the 1 hour highs here, say goodbye. Say good.
I'm actually gonna watch this speech, but I'm gonna turn on the sound a little. Governor.
Yeah, I think Yep. See. Not bad. Can you give a chance, Jimmy? Pilot this rocket. Make sure icon on the side. That's me in the picture, not Jimmy.
That's Don. What you mean? I'm not no pilot. Don's a pilot. Don the big man right here, bro. I'm just the hype man. This hype man around here.
This guy loves Jimmy? Yeah, this guy loves Jimmy.
Thanks, man. You should. Alright, everyone's smiling for some reason. I think good news for the come.
Everyone's smiling?
Yeah, literally everyone's smiling. What the fuck? Hey, yo. Hell no, DJ about to do the biggest whipsaw of the century, bro. Yo, look,
Oh,
I'm watching
breaking
it.
the highs.
Everyone's smiling.
Breaking the highs, breaking the highs,
these
breaking the
fuckers,
highs, breaking the highs here, guys.
Yo, I'm dead. Like literally, I'm watching it. Everyone in the room got a smile on their face. Oh shit. Oh, these British motherfuckers, bro. They should have crank out the whoopty whoop.
Gold close beautiful. How did it close? Oh, yep. Should be head towards 1946 here. 1946. Whenever broke the highest here on GJ. Thing is, the stops are so big on GJ, but the trade is very valuable on GJ.
What if you put stops on the 5-minute candle?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this 5-minute candle is like
No, does he have
20
a bottom
pips.
wick? I don't know.
20 pips too. Oh, this candle. Yeah. I think in this scenario, since this candle's so big of a stop, you should wait for the 15-minute candle here. In 8 minutes here, you wait for that candle to close above, and you look for entries there, and then stops the current candle low. I mean, that's the trend. That's the plan here. So, well, I'm just gonna wait for another candle here.
Yeah, this one still might close below that resistance
Yeah.
still.
We know that I broke the highs though, so high chance it's gonna continue up. Very high chance. But now it's just the only issue is now how big your stops.
Yeah.
Cause this is a fake out.
It's a centi billion.
This is a fake out. This is very clean fake out as well. Your internet trade looks good, Don? Yeah, I may enter another buy. As I said, I was waiting for buys above here, right? So if you do come up above there, I'll take another buy. Give me my buys another chance here. Hey, bro, FX Samurai, bro. He's my biggest tip for that, bro. You're what? You're down 2% for a day and 6% for a month, bro. Yo, I used to have like. Don't think because you're having break-even months or like 6% weak months that you're not progressing, bro. You're progress. I'm telling you, bro. Just continue to have those break-even months. Continue to have those, 10% months, 6% months, 5% months. Continue to do that because once you stop doing that, once you think, oh man, I'm not going nowhere, and you start to overtrade, you're gonna blow that entire account, right? And you're gonna feel like shit after. So you guys to start seeing consistency and start seeing their income profitable. Once you start having those break-even months, those 5% months, 10% months. Like once you see that, that's a good indication that you're going up. I promise you, that's a good indication. But if you just think you're having those break-even months and you're just tired of it, you're not gonna go nowhere near up because you're gonna start to overtrade, over leverage, just to have a 50% month, 100% month. Because those break-even months are better than the months you had when you blew your account months. Think about it. Like, so you're on the right path if you're having break-even months. I promise you. I used to be there too. At one point, I almost gave up because those break-even months. I was like, yo, why am I having these break-even months for? If I'm just, I'm taking like wins and losses. But it's better than just taking losses and piling the losses up, right? But yeah, I think you're on the right path, bro. Trust me. Don't give up. And down 4% this month. Yeah, that's pretty much break even. 4% this month is pretty much break even. You're fine, bro. It's better than blowing your account for the month, right? If you didn't blow your account this month, just be happy. Especially if you're new. You don't think GJ is just ranging? It is just ranging. It's in this range here. I'm waiting for a closure above here. But, look at it. Range. Close below. You go to come back into range. High 85% chance to fill the range, which you just did. If you've been on streams long enough, you guys know that's probably like our number one saying here, 85% chance to fill in the range and 75% chance to continue further up to break resistance here, because this is a fake out down to go up, right? So a high chance we're continuing up here. I'm just gonna wait for a 15-minute closure here above the range to look for buys because the hourly low is such a big stop. So yeah. Once we break above 14300, I'm looking for buys. And then from there, catch it right up. Oh, the gang's here? Oh, it is here. What up, guys?
Hold on real quick.
2 years of break even? That's fine, bro. If you spent your first year, blowing your accounts and you spend your second year break even, you're making progress either way, so.
Fuck. Yo,
what's up?
Yo, they talking about COVID right now.
Ah, shit.
Ah, shit. Hold on.
So the virus wait, it started already?
Yeah.
It started on time?
Yeah. Just talk. Fuck. He just said their sales went down. Fuck. Oh, brother. What is DJ finna do, boy?
Usually they start talking about the bad stuff first and then the good stuff after. No? Let's see. Morning, everyone. Morning, bro. It's good afternoon here. It's good night here for me. Yeah.
Morning.
Start my day at 6 a.m. It's about midnight right here for me. It's 9 a.m. I'm about to sleep. And out. Have a good weekend. Yeah, you too, bro. Have a good weekend. Late to the party. Yeah, you late to the party, my friend. You missed how we managed that first trade.
You missed my whole birthday party, bro.
You missed
on my birthday.
Is your birthday today?
My birthday every day.
Oh, well,
Just
shit.
playing.
I can't help you on that one.
That's why. My birthday is January 18th.
245 viewers. Oh shit, we have that? Oh yeah, nice.
Oh, what's up?
I mean, the most we had was like what,
300.
300?
Yeah.
Yesterday? Yeah.
Yeah.
2 days ago.
2 days ago. No, it was yesterday, bro.
No, it wasn't yesterday, bro.
Has to be
No, I wasn't there yesterday. That's facts.
It wasn't
That's
yesterday. Yeah, it wasn't yesterday. We had 400 2 days ago. 400? Nah, we don't even have 400, bro. We had 300.
capping.
I don't think we had 400. No, yeah, we had 301. 301.
You making this man cheese too hard.
Ever since 2:30, no more training in London. Control effects. Yeah, man. Hey, stick to one session, bro. I'm telling you. Too many sessions will mess you up. Too many sessions will mess you up.
Yep.
Session.
C'est son.
Session.
C'est son. Croissant. You almost jump like a song.
I think that's it. It's just a range game all the way through the weekend.
Yep. 15 looks like close back into range here. Let's see though. Let's see. I'm like, you know,
Let's see what this
because
930
we
candle
did
do.
break the 1 hour highs and we're coming back into range here, man. Like, I'm expecting some volume to kick up now. Push up.
Because I'm listening now. They're talking about solutions to try to help out the virus situation in London. The cure.
Where are you watching the live news at?
I just clicked on our links on the Forex Factory thing.
Oh,
Clicked on the link thing and then scroll down and you see watch the session live. Then, yeah.
You guys might be confused about what I'm talking about here with regards to fake outs, and I have a video for it. So if you guys are confused about fake outs, go ahead and watch this video here. Oh no, not that video. Go ahead and watch this video here. Fake outs. You guys are getting a good understand what fake outs are. Fake outs is a more advanced term for just price breaking back up in the range, breaking resistance at the next resistance. All that is. All that is, right? It happened when Roger went down. They realized not to range just now. What? What happened? Ah. 4 hour. Yeah. Oh yeah, 4 hour. 4 hour close very strong bearish. Below the range. Then check this out. Didn't realize it just opened up. Where's the fake out vid? It's right here on the Instagram page. Right here. Right here. It's next to this one. Scroll down. It's like what? July 2nd? Oh yeah. Appreciate all the love, guys. Appreciate all the love you guys been showing us on the streams lately. Currently at about 1.5k subs. I think once you hit 2k subs, guys, I'm gonna do a course giveaway here. Oh, 300 plus stream. Yeah, that's what happened. Yeah, guys, if this count just like flips back bearish, I think I'm just I just call it a day, because like, yeah, probably at that point probably gonna be coming down here, but like I'm not really interested in sells, so I'm just not gonna do much here. I'm only gonna take buys above here, right? And if we just fail to reject close above here, there's no buys. And 15-day close below here. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for the stream, man. I'm not gonna do much for the stream anymore. I'm not gonna do much. Not much happening here. So man, if you guys enjoyed the stream today, if you guys enjoyed that trade that we took today, man, took a 4 pip loss, but we saved 8 pips in that trade because we knew how to reduce our lashes short. If you don't know how we did that, go to 8:04 a.m. and yeah, I'll try to clip later and put it on Instagram. But yeah, guys, I appreciate all the love today, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow. Monday opening. Monday, Friday session. So yeah, guys, I love. Peace.
Yes,
Peace out,
yes.
team.
All right, y'all.